Hey traders, welcome to episode 509 of the show. You could be doing anything, watching anyone, but you're here. And for that I'm quite grateful, as always. And Bitcoin has pushed up a little bit with Binance open for withdrawals, deposits, all that. So, really, I mean, we're up 2.39% today. So, I don't know, man, if that, like people were asking the question, oh, what's going to happen to crypto, the market, when Binance reopens those withdrawals, deposits, all that? Guess what, man? It didn't really do anything. Okay, go figure, right? That's what we most medium suspected. Okay, so it happened. So I don't know, man. What's happening really nice though, we bullishly engulfed yesterday. Remember, bouncing off that 77.60 area as a support when it was once at a time a small resistance. And so from holding support there, a couple 4-hour candles, we're just meandering on up, and we're right back at the beginning of what? The overhead resistance zone between, was it 8230? Yeah, 8230 and 84, really 8500, okay? And all we have to do is zoom out on the daily to look at it to see. All right, here it is looking, again, you're attempting to test the over resistance and look left, right? Right here, easy enough. You're just, all right, July 30th, 2018, even if you break 8261, you're still going to you're going to struggle at 8385, and you're also going to have to deal with 8500, okay? So it's not as simple as just like here, look, you clearly saw there's a candle close and a wick, but this was a little bit more complex structure. So resistance is a zone here, a very large zone. So gonna have to be patient to see if we can break that. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for all the new subs. I mean, my good God, man. I don't even know what to tell you. It's just, I say it every day now. It's like a dream, dude. All right. Thank you all for the opportunity to be able to cover crypto markets, Bitcoin with you, and the crypto markets, man. The altcoins are back. The tether pair, beautiful, man. Freaking beautiful. I mean, like, think about it, dude. Like, ADA's up 6.5%. Stellar Lumen's up almost 15%. Ripple's up 8.4%. Ethereum's up 11%. Broke that overhead resistance, man. Bitcoin Cash up like 2%, but it's already had its run, so who cares? I mean, it ran up like tremendously, like a couple days ago. It's before everyone else. BNB and Bitcoin Cash, it seems like follows Bitcoin very well. All right, and it would make sense for it not to be moving up when Bitcoin's not really doing anything. So, what's up, Aaron Anderson? Welcome. All right, so we got BNB back to all-time highs. We got Monero up 11%, man. It's crazy. All right, very, very crazy to see how everything's playing out. The alts for a while were not doing anything with Bitcoin price action, and now we can see that market cap has increased. What is it at now? It's like 250 billion. So that means the vote that we had a couple days ago. Pull that up for a second. Where's all my history, man? No, it's bookmarks. Okay, never mind. Yeah, it's the poll we did was, will we hit 266 billion total market cap in the next 5 days? So that means by Saturday we need to be at 266, and 68% of y'all said yes, we will be. So that'd be like weekend euphoria, and 32% of y'all said no. So that's right, Zcash up, man. It's up, dude. 16%. There you have it, dude. 100% retrace. Right, the height of the structure. This is just Tether. This is just Binance, right? Whatever. All right, so if you're just playing it, look, man, low, lower low, daily time scale. There was some ever so slight divergence, right? On a double bottom. A lower low double bottom, so we know they perform the best if they actually work out and play out. We also had some divergence on the RSI on the daily. Zcash Connect. Damn, Melissa, oh my God.
Is that a joint?
Thank y'all. Amazing. The Iowa Jesus peoples. Has summer reached y'all yet? Because it's getting there down here. All right. Hopefully the rain has subsided some, because that's what you get with summertime. The seasons aren't changing as much anymore, so hopefully that's calming down. because your bridges really need some relief from that rain, right? So thank y'all. Huge time, man. Thanks for the $2 super chat, Kanks. The XR pay in the jar. Much love. Wow, y'all are amazing. Okay, so double bottom, obviously, you know, measure move hit and exceeded an 88.6% retrace, and you're right at it, man. 100% from April 3rd. That high. We're back, man. We made it. Zcash Connect. Okay. So we'll be keeping our eye on Bitcoin throughout the stream to see if we have the power, the passion, the moxie to break through at least 80. What was it? The highest high we made on Bitcoin was on that wick on the 4 hour, 83.44 on Coinbase. We've only gotten as high today as 82.68, so we still, you know, got over $50-$60 left before we test that high, and we would probably test it. You would expect us to test where we are now, that high, okay? So just give it time, man. Ethereum Connect. Here's your Ethereum Connect. Beautiful breakout. Oh my God, broke the channel. The channel you had been contained within since November of 2018. Wow. What do we talk about if we broke this overhead resistance? Boom. Straight up, man. All right, we had a little bit of resistance here that we tested for a while, 230 overhead. But the big one, man, the big overhead resistance zone for Ethereum is between 248 and 254. We're making our way. I don't know why we wouldn't get there, man. It doesn't make sense. There's nothing stopping us from running up to that area besides maybe Bitcoin volatility, but that's not going to stop us. Bitcoin's not being that volatile right now, okay? So it's just making its way up. It takes time to get there. So again, you would expect at least, let's see. Okay, there's these candle closes back from September. You see them? That's what we're testing. But again, you should go a little bit higher to 248, the top. And that's it, man. This is beautiful. Freaking beautiful on Ethereum. All right, clean break, man. Overhead resistance. That's where you go, dude. What a beautiful uptrend broken to the upside, man. Bullish conditions, extremely bullish conditions. You gotta believe that, man. All right. Jeez. Oh, and XRP, right?
Is that a joint?
It is a joint.
It is a joint, man. Joel L, man. Thanks for the 420. Multiple joints already in chat. Jeez, man. Thank y'all. XRP is sitting right at that 1618 fib extension. It's trying so freaking hard, man. We're at it right now. We could break it, dude. The golden mean ratio from your high to low of the structure you broke out of, man. Big deal. As you can see, we've already tested it twice and failed on 2 different 4-hour candles, and here we are for the 3rd time, respecting it. I'm not saying rejecting it, not yet. I mean, kind of. You can see we tested it and failed, pulling back some. So extreme amount of resistance up here at that incredibly important fib extension, fib node, okay? Beautiful, man. Sorry, it's a little loud. My bad. Yeah, I don't know. The Grateful Dead song I played at the beginning, I thought it was going to be better than it was. I don't know. I was fast-forwarding through it and heard all the great solos, but, man, I don't know about the lyrics. I mean, like, the lyrics, fine, but, like, just, I don't know. If I'd have listened to the whole song, I may not have played it at the beginning. My bad. All right. It's good, though. It was a good song, great solo and all that. Dead and Company. Get it? All right. It's a great way to play incredible music without having to deal with the copyright crap. Okay? So, whatever, man. I don't know. Grateful Dead's, like, grown on me tremendously these past few months. Okay? So, 2019, Year of the Dead. Oh, wait. Just kidding. Only for music, not for crypto. Year 2019 is the year of, so far, the recovery, the tremendous recovery so far. All right, going to the daily on XRP, why not? On the daily, man, the breakout, the clean, super amazing breakout of the downsloping structure. Thanks for the sub, man. Sorry, y'all. Thanks for the sub, VK Wing. It looks like Viking. But whatever, dude. Okay. So, clean break above the 200-day moving average. We had not been able to sustain prices above the 200. Look, man, every time you get near the 200-day moving average, you just get push down back below it. That red line, you see the line, the lagging indicator? We're very high above it right now. It's 35.571 cents, that 200. And the faster scale moving averages are below the 200 still. So soon they will bullishly cross over, and we will get our... we can't consider that a golden cross. Give me a break. That's not a golden cross, even though it happened for like a second, okay? Okay, last time we had a real golden cross, dude, way back in December of 2017, man. That's it.
Is that a joint?
Do you think most altcoins will reach a common retrace and use value? Thanks for all the education as always. Did we do ADA Connect yet?
No, we didn't do ADA Connect yet, but hold on. Do you think most altcoins will reach common retrace? Of course, they always do, man, right? So, speaking of one that could be a good example, right? Real quick, David, man, thank you for the 420. Just want to post up and say that...
Can't wait to see Mitch Ray at a Dad and Company show this summer. Let's boogie. Thanks for the great TA. You are a good dude. XLM to 100K.
Hey, Larry Garcia, man. Thanks, dude. Larry, what about Jerry? Larry Garcia? Is that his son or offspring? Thank you, man. I don't know. Okay, I'm not a deadhead. I'm more of a spread head, okay? But I'm becoming, I don't know, love their riffs and their jams, man. Really good. Okay, so... lastly, just on XRP, just from the 79-cent wick high to low, okay, Fibonacci, your golden zone is between 48 cents and 59.9 cents, okay? So, where we are now, I mean, there's some sort of underhead resistance at June 29, 2018. That's it, though, man. There's nothing really else holding you back besides the 1618. We know that's there, too, the fib extension. So we could pull back, but again, you're expecting in time to hit 48 cents to 59.9 cents. And of course, it could go higher, but that's just how you do standard Fibonacci retraces, okay, from highs to lows. So we're just in the middle of the 236 and the 382, with no real daily resistance besides, you know, a couple lows. And it's not very strong. All right, and above that, you've got, right at the 382, you've got the April 18th low, right? Okay, so ADA Connect. Okay, just in the shorter term, you know, we know what happened, right? It was a trade setup, whatever. It's great, ungodly, right? But in the shorter term, what's up, Crypto Goat Man? Yeah, I guess we can look at it. Sure. All right. Down sloping consolidation after the initial impulse. Remember, the impulse was bullish, and so you consolidated down sloping, which is proper. That gives people the opportunity to accumulate. One sec. Yep, so people do accumulate. And this was I believe, a 62% retrace. Maybe 50%. They all made good common retraces on this big sell-off, right? It lasted for 5 weeks, man. A 5-week sell-off, okay, after the initial pump. So just reversing your price action to the upside, and you say channel falling wedge doesn't matter. You mean you saw some resistance here at this down slipping resistance of the channel, and then sold off and then ran, and from a high point to low point you were hitting the 78.6% retrace as discussed last night, man. Why would we not hit 9 cents, man, after breaking resistance up here, right? With Binance opening back up, there you go, dude. All right, maybe it was just a... I mean, we know, like on the other exchanges, it was trying to break the 618, and it had, and on close. And so we're like, why are you stalling? Why would you not go to 9 cents? It just took time, right? And here you are. So wonderful stuff on ADA Connect. Okay, man. Yeah, a little divergence, but you're still making higher highs. So a little overbought, but nothing great. 76, 77, that's overbought, but man, we've seen some insane stuff in crypto on the RSI. So yeah, there you go, man. All right. Very similar, very, very similar stuff on XLM to the US dollar. Right, had a really nice run, then you broke It was a megaphone, whatever. You broke out bearishly, but then just made a retrace. Look, you retraced 61.8% of the way, like almost on the dot, low to high. Oh, was it? No, hold on. Because I was doing a ton of charting today. Which one was it? I don't know. One of them hit a perfect 60% retrace.
Thanks again for the streams. Have a beer on you today.
Chris the Piss, man. Thanks for the $5 of Ethereum, man. Cryptocurrency contribution. Much love, man. All right. Yeah, I might crack a beer if we can hit 8,500, okay? Thanks, man. So, either way, on this, you fell below the 618. Got closer to the 786, right? So, there you have it, man. Big bounce. There was, on this one was really weird because there wasn't any divergence at all, okay? It wasn't a very good looking double bottom, but there was the wedge, right? You did have the wedge. Not really sure where we bottomed at, you know, just randomly. So this thing gone, man. Exceeding the 88.6% retrace right now at 13 cents. 100% retrace is at 13.535 cents. Oh my God. Beautiful bullish convergence on both oscillators, unlike 88. About the same amount of overboughtness though. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So, dude, this thing's mooning right now from its low. Completely recovering. So will be interesting to see what happens when Bitcoin volatility picks up, because Bitcoin's doing nothing right now and altcoins are just running. Right? And if you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's get a sub spike, a like spike. Let's be kangs. Show your enthusiasm for the crypto market that is finally recovering somewhat. A lot. Okay? Far more than a lot of people expected, including me. This is crazy, man. This is beautiful. All right? Dang, man. It is quite euphoric. Going back to Bitcoin real quick. Well, I gotta look at that scrub real quick. Wow, man. Yeah, Tron ran up too, man. So tidy, thanks, man. All right, had that right-angled and ascending broadening formation that we busted out of bullishly. What's a measure move of that? I mean, either way, I mean, you were pretty freaking close to PCZ, right? It looks like you would hit an 88.6% retrace before bouncing 3 times off this pattern, cipher. And so you ran up, but like, again, measure move just of a standard right-angled and ascending broadening formation. You take the widest areas of the pattern, right, before the breakout. So this was it, right, from the low to high. And you just measure it from the breakout to give yourself the target. And there you go. So far, you're just hitting the measure move of a standard Bulkowski pattern. Great, man. But also, arguments could be made that targets were hit on this cipher too. So, great, man. But lots of resistance where you are. Dude, we have tried so many times to break this and failed. I remember we were live. Dude, this was the green screen time. Remember that, y'all? And came back, attempted, failed, downsloped in our consolidation after a huge impulse. And then Triangle broke out, but ran back up to these same areas and couldn't do it and sold off. And here we are again attempting. I mean, if you can break this area, dude, on Tron, you might have a really, really nice shot at much higher prices, okay? I mean, look at this downtrend you've been in for a long time. You finally broke it. 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. You're out. You're making higher lows. Okay, that signifies accumulation on the market. Forget all the Rudy poo in the middle. Just think about from your major discernible swing high from May of 2018 to your low of November 25th. All right, the 3.9 cents to 5.6 cents range is your target, okay? That is the golden zone. That is where you just make a common scrub retrace. Who cares? Tron Connect, Justin Sun Booger Connect. What's up, Tin Cat, man? Welcome, man. Okay. Anyway, oh man, still going, dude. XLM Connect, still going. 15.4%. One of the top gainers of the day. One we're looking at right now. What? Don't say that, man. What about XRP? Well, this is little brother. Sorry, little brother's going to follow big brother. Okay. Anyway, I haven't been able to say anything to chat, so I do apologize about that. We've just been going, man. So thank y'all all for being here, and I'm gonna engage a little bit with y'all. All right, what's up, Wealth Gainers? Talk to Man PCs, Jake P, Encrypted Broker, welcome. Gary M, Danking It TV, Matthias is like Roughing It TV, but Danking It, doing the marijuanas. Gary Maslin, Mr. Chicken Caesar, y'all's names. Had to clear my throat, excuse me. Vet Bro, MK. What's up, Michael, man? Louis Marriott. Good afternoon. Private Wins. What's up, man? Buns 420. Dana Melissa. Jordan Baris. Yeah, Litecoin. Kanye, I love you too, man. Okay. Love you too, dude. We'll see live Bitcoin trading. Hello. Stuart XRP. Lee Plott. Bob Fields. Hey, The Station, C-Cell, M, Ryan S, Ironhide. Good to see some new faces in here. And if you're new in here, hit that like button, that bell, that sub, man. If you want to, I mean, I do this like every day. So you get extended coverage all the time in crazy conditions, right? If Bitcoin's breaking out, dude, I do marathon streams. We go far longer than normal. But regardless, even in scrub times, I go live for the most part twice a day. Been doing it for like over 15 months now. While everyone else quit, we stuck with it every day, man. All right. So Virgus Games, Francisco, Mad Carl, Nick Brabant, True Stoner, Lord Dumpington, Julia, CWG. Sorry, so many. Just trying to scroll through it as fast as I can, so we can keep the flow going, man. All right. Am I looking at YouTube chat, bro? Frankie, yes. But at the beginning, it's hard to, because like I want to do the analysis, and you know, so there's content, right? And then after I do analysis, then I'll do it. All right. Normally look at the big three, but if people are requesting coins via like TTS, then I'm gonna do those too. So. Eric NYC, what's up, man? Thank you, dude. What's up, Calvin and D Sager, AKMK. Thanks for the 411, man. Hey, what is the 411, man? Are we gonna break it? Is Bitcoin gonna break overhead resistance zone levels? And at least from the bottom part of the zone, why don't we just run to the top of the zone, 8,500? Why can't we do that? I mean, I get it. It's just like this cluster of candle high closes and wicks all together back from last year. So I understand. But you're getting squeezed, man. It's like upsloping support and horizontal line resistance. What does that sound like? Kind of reminds me of, what is it? Ascending triangle-esque? Yes? What's wrong with staring at XLM while we engage with chat? Because this thing's breaking to higher highs as we speak, right? Holy crap, man. Did no one see my static video on Litecoin today? I did an actual static video, 6+ minutes of just looking at Litecoin, so spamming Litecoin. I mean, what you want from me, man? Dude, what? It's not even doing anything. It's still at $102. I don't understand why the spam on Litecoin. Okay. Oh my god, Litecoin, man. Litecoin, dude. I just don't understand. I don't get it. Like, that's why I do, like, static videos. So I don't have to, like, cover them as much, like, in the stream. Or people don't have to spam because they got, like, their fill or their fix. Yo, got any more of that Litecoin analysis, man? Tyrone? Biggins, man? No. Okay. Who is your sex person? They're doing it wrong. Steven Wright? Yeah, man. I say things. I definitely say things. Okay, dude. Hey, being Bozo, dude. Thanks for the 58.9% of 1XRP. Thank you, dude. Okay. And the XRP tip bot. What's up, Derek P? Hamid Yacob? Gordeski? Jason Ellison? Bitcoin's still at 80, right around 8,200. Up 2.5% on the day, and we've got about an hour and 30 minutes left until that daily 4-hour and 60-minute close. Okay, while XLM is up 15.66% right now, and just testing a small slight overhead resistance from April 3rd, 2019, a candle high close. And above that's the wick at 13.334 cents. 8-hour live stream tonight, Brandon Will. Shoot, dude. Kip, 6978. The only way that's going to happen is if, like, Bitcoin's price action makes it happen. Dude, like, that's the only way I'll be able to do an 8-hour stream. Okay, where, like, it's just such extreme price action, I have to cover it, and I can't get away, right? I mean, that's how it happened last time. Thanks, Ren CTM, dude. Yes, almost all other YouTubers disappeared. I know. They're back now, though, aren't they? Yeah, they're back now. They want it, dude. They want that FOMO. XRP on Forrest Gump. What do you mean? Is it waiting for Bitcoin to do something? Dude, this is great, man. Still running up session highs right now on XLM. This is great. Look at the volume that came in, too, to boot. Beautiful. Thanks, Dill899. Good to see you, brother, man. You see the Litecoin video was top notch. You liked it, Zatcher? Well, thank you, man, for the kind words, dude. Okay. You love the spam? Okay. Well, if you like the spam, go ahead, dude. Whatever. Kappa. What's up, the prick? That bro? Whoa, dude. Holy crap, man. Sorry. Chat's moving kind of fast. Okay. Oh my god. The XRP hate. No matter what XRP does, it can go up 25% in one day, and people still gonna talk crap about XRP. The only reason we talk crap about XRP is because of its performance for 2019, which is now made up for it, I guess, right? 13.199 cents on XLM. Oh my god, man. I think this is the only thing making session highs as we speak right now. Okay, we got BNB. All right, BNB, what did it do? From its previous high to low, it hit the 1.618 like the Jesus man. All right, that was $27.65.82 right there before pulling back, but trying to somehow bullishly engulf. Harry T, thanks for the follow on Twitch, even though I haven't streamed on Twitch in like a month and a half. Okay, so, jeez. But this thing, man, like, we were already selling off. This was the move down from the hack, okay? We had like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 impulses down before falling out of the channel, the structure, only to false breakout to bust to the upside, and there was no divergence. It was all bearish convergence on the way down. So it wasn't even like, oh yeah, man, here it comes. Here comes the impending price action reversal. Nope. It was just like, wow, you blasted up. And the great thing is, this is why you love trend lines and stuff. We bullishly engulfed, ran up, and then we back tested 2 times this area as a support again, giving validity to the channel, right? And so that's when you began to run again. All right, ran up, hit that 75% trend line perfectly. What's up, Eli? Welcome, man. Good to see you, dude. But $26, almost pretty much $27, man. That's beautiful. Tittycoin Connect.
Tittycoin up over 100%. Did XVG Connect break that channel you plotted the other day?
I don't know, man. We can look at it. But, I mean, if it's a BTC pair, which way to the downside, upside? What? Here's a Tittycoin up 108%. It's back to 2 Satoshis, man. We did it, dude. All right. Big round of applause for Tittycoin.
Please clap.
Oh, my God. But we won't do the clap. All right. Easy clap, dude. Easy clap of my life. Dude, thank you, David R, dude. For the 333 repeating, of course. Leroy Jenkins, dude. Did it break the channel? I can't remember. Were we looking at the US dollar pair there, or were we looking at the BTC pair? Let me know, dude, okay? Because I have something else plotted for the BTC pair. All right. I think we did look at XVG to USD or something, didn't we? Dude, I can't remember what exchange it was, dude, because it's like seldom do I look at Ripple. Okay. Nah, dude. You know, another good way to look at like Ripple, or not Ripple, but Verge Connect, is just really like kind of like rectangle. Okay. But you might have been talking about a down-sloping resistance, which I do think we did. We did break out, obviously. It was just more so a wedge, dude. Okay, that makes sense. I'm just replotting on another exchange, I think, because I don't even know, man. All right. I'll look at like 1 billion charts, okay. So yeah, I mean, like, dude, if you're talking about the BTC pair, yeah, breakout. I'm sure the US dollar pair, or no, this is the US dollar pair, excuse me. Okay, so you're just in this zone, right? There's the overhead resistance. Okay, the bottom and the top of the zone of this range that you were bound to. All right, had a nice, looks like 88.6% retrace before bouncing. Okay, and so the top of this little zone is at 1.058419 cents, man. Oh my God. Currently, 95% of 1 cent, 94% of 1 cent right now. Birch Connect, great stuff, man. It looks like yeah, targets would be definitely be acquired on a measured move or high to low, you know, Fibonacci, right? See, zoom in. Okay, there you go, right? High to low. Yep, 618 hit, right? Your first target, you know, normally in these situations are falling wedges with fibs of the structure. 50% first target, second target would be the 618. And we have not yet hit the 786. Okay, so not any higher than a secondary target that we'd choose anytime for a falling wedge at 94% of 1 cent. Okay, that's it, dude. Okay. Kangish behavior all across the markets, man. We're doing it, dude. But yeah, back to BNB, man. It's again no higher, not 1% of 1 cent higher than the 1618 fib extension. Okay, from your previous high to low. But the thing is, we could probably high to low here, and we'd probably be getting like a 1414, 1272. So, and I'm bugging out. I feel like I'm lagging a little bit. It keeps freezing for a second. It's scaring the crap out of me. Since you know how sometimes my computer randomly just freezes and just craps out. Windows crashes.
Just found you on Drive. Glad you are on YouTube also. Thanks for all your learning a lot from you. Thanks, brother. Smiley face.
Thanks, Harry Taylor, man, for the $5 super chat, man. Really appreciate the Ethereum Classic in the jar, or Ethereum Classic Connect in the jar, man. Much love. You just found me on the drive. Does that mean like you're doing something you're not supposed to do? Be careful, all right? Be very careful. So you're a new sub? Thank you, man. Much love. Yeah, Rudy Poo. That's right, Hubba Hubba. Rudy Poo. It's Rudy Poo Fibonacci stuff, man, right? Capo. Alright, just going back to Bitcoin. Still doing nothing, man. Nothing. It's run up to the beginning of the zone, the overhead resistance zone, and that's it, man. Nothing higher at all, right? There it is. A little bit of rejection. But still plenty of time, man. Hour, 21 minutes. You know how much magic we've seen in here before when you've got even just 10 minutes left on the daily candle. Crazy stuff can happen, all right? So until you break below, really, 8,020, 8,015, you should be okay in this channel, all right? This is all we have as a structure. It's just an upsloping parallel channel. Anchor point 1, 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom, 4 on the bottom, whatever. Kind of 5 on the bottom, really. So there you go, man. It's beautiful. Whoa, hold on. Be perfect. All right, good stuff. And just halfway through the week until, remember the poll, 266 billion by Saturday. And if we could break these areas, dude, you know what's going to happen. It will happen. But I mean, this is it, man. This is like where kings are made or peasants are made. All right, overhead resistance zones after already running up stupendously in a very short period of time. Okay, clear as day, man. If you break it though, just to reiterate the analysis we've done time and time again, if you break this area 8,500, it's going to be a clean break to 9,500. All right, like real fast, like no issues either. I don't know why where are my old fibs? Maybe it's on the weekly. Yeah, the weekly too, all right? From your all-time highs to your December 15th lows. We've exceeded a 23% retrace at $103. No, I'm sorry, 7103. Sorry, man. It's like my horizontal line. And I can't make, you don't have many options with Fibonacci on customization of like making the numbers scale larger. I mean, it's even small for me, man. Like, it's stupid. Y'all can't see it unless y'all are just like doing this. So, do y'all think that getting a 4K monitor would help with the resolution and then streaming in 4K for people that are eligible? Would that make things clearer with the smaller text? I mean, I've made these numbers as large as I possibly can, and it's ridiculous. It really makes it to where you can't even see the numbers, because I might need to scale that back some. But anyway, from your high to low, we've hit the most shallow retrace, 23%, and so that gives us indication to believe that this swing low is valid to anchor from a high point to low point. So your golden zone's between 95.38 and 13,475. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, man. Okay, the golden retrace is over 13,000, right? 13.5. Okay, doesn't mean we're going to hit it, but it is real, because that is exactly what a 61.8% retrace is, the golden retrace. All right. So anyway, man, there's that bullish divergence, just ever so slight on the daily MACD from a low here to the lower low. And then we made the higher low right here on the Gartley, and it was over, man. All right, from 33.43 entry, we're now at 81.45. Just so close, ever so close to the highest highs we made of 2019. Man, it's beautiful. So take heed of the resistance at hand where we are right now, okay? I mean, it's really good to see that we cracked through at least the beginning of it and got to the wick, the wick on the lower scrubby high of the overhead resistance looking left. Okay, back in 2018. Whew. Anyway, so back to no 4K monitors suck. That's weird. Said no one ever, right? With a good PC, I guess, right? You prick said he randomly saw this stream in his feed on YouTube, so he clicked it and bought the next day. Kang's prick, man, Kang's. Crypto has old money sweating. Well, the stock market rallied today a little bit, but it's not a higher high at all. So, Optimum PC's SSJ Blue. Well, dude, I think SSJ Blue, what's the power level on that? Like, what, 100 million or something? Higher than that, probably. So, what? No, I don't know about checking S-Coins. Okay, on CoinMarketCap. All right. Plenty of other people will do it for you, man. It doesn't make sense to me. This is a technical analysis show, not a let's review unknown, unheard of S-Coins. Okay. What's up, Drama Llama? Jared Lovin, thanks for the like, man. Thank you all for the likes, the loves, the subs, support. It has been an incredible journey so far. It's just, I mean, so far, but like the journey, it just cranked up to unknown parabolic levels for me as a content creator since Friday. Friday is where everything's just completely, I can't believe it, just like a Thanos snap, man. Unreal. VeChain, yeah, we can look at VeChain Connect, Kappa. But is it Kappa? Yeah, man. Well. It was a double bottom falling wedge. And the measure moves at the 1272 fib extension, approaching, I would say, a first profit taking. If one was in on this, a profit taking level is definitely at 79% of 1 cent.
Speaking of overhead resistance, Mitch broke the overhead resistance with subs and well deserved. Congrats and looking for 10k subs.
Thanks, Bobfield, man. Sorry. I always monkey ass when I see that variation. You know, like the 3333. It's just always like... Anyway, dude, Bob, thank you so much, man, for helping break the resistance. We did it, man. All right. Very cool. So, you can look at this a couple ways, right? You could just plot the measured move at the double bottom. I think we have hit that measured move, all right? And we go with measured moves that of the most recent patterns, because that's the most current data. So from the breakout, You have hit the measure move, right? So the falling wedge measure move has not been hit, but it's at a 1272. But if you just delete this real quick, I mean, whatever, anytime you want. We just know now, we have a mental note that the 1272 is exactly the measure move of the falling wedge. There really wasn't, I mean, it developed. It just, double bottom was so much more beautiful, wasn't it? All right, so yeah, measure move was at 78% of 1 cent. We're a little bit higher than that, quite near the 100% retrace, which is absolutely beautiful. These straight lines up like that, man, these are areas where sell-offs happen. But hey, whatever, man. We know, based on our daily analysis, what we've been doing the same analysis of this crap for so effing long, man. I mean, really. Good God, how long have we been doing it, man? Before this thing broke out, what were we saying about it? We had unfinished business on VeChain, because we know we stalled out at the 23% retrace, and we had downsloping consolidation after an impulse, which is bullish. Then we had bullish convergence on the slightly higher high or higher low double bottom. And here we are, man. Here we are. And we know the golden zone. Why is it not plotted, dude? What the heck? The golden zone between 94% of 1 cent and 1.32 cents. We'll just go ahead and mark it for you. This has been the more mid-term, longer-term target for a long time now. Okay. So they have it. We'll see it, 94% of 1 cent, and maybe, if we're lucky, 1 actual cent on VeChain doing things. Holy crap. So there's your VeChain, man. Impulse up, down slope, and consolidation. People had the opportunity to accumulate, and then the accumulation happened, then we double bottom, and it gave confirmation to the market. This is the bottom, man. This is it, dude. In an uptrend, it's time to go again, and here we are, up 11% roughly today. It's beautiful. All right. There's no resistance. Where we are, the only resistance you're at is pretty much the 100% retrace. If you break the 100% retrace, it's going to be smooth sailing to 94% of 1 cent. Okay, again, us being at 78% of 1 cent, if you broke this area right here, there shouldn't be much stopping you besides maybe these minor high to low fib extensions, 1272 to 1618s. But dude, the real next target would be 94% of 1 cent. There's nothing here. Look, it's like straight down, straight up, straight down. When you do that, twig and thatch both ways. Bullish hurricane, bearish hurricane will destroy you. Okay. So there you go, man. VeChain doing things. We'll just play it for to honor this nice move up. We did it, man. All right. So, Mad Kinley. XRP broke the resistance. Good, man. That's great. So you said it broke the 1618 fib extension. Very, very good. Very good. Let's run to it real quick, okay? There we go, Kangage. Here we are, approaching the 38% retrace at 48 cents. I don't know. There's one scrub wick here at 46.67 cents. I don't know why that would stop you. Unless it just holds true with this resistance area, April of 2018 thing we talked about. But, dude, despite these little scrub resistances, man, here you go, the golden zone. We are approaching it. Can you believe it, man? Exceeding the 1618 from its previous high to low. Wonderful. Very, very strong stuff. Huge green candle at session highs. Okay, this is the highest high we've made of the run so far since we broke just a few days ago, a couple days ago, whatever. Okay, so again, areas we could expect to see reversals in price action, at least temporarily, until we, you hit one of these areas, you sell off, you pull bull flag, and then you can run again after that. But because in everyday situations, whatever, maybe, yeah, dude, this is much more significant than just an everyday situation. This is a channel that Ripple has been in since February of 2018, man. All right, we've had this plotted for God knows how long, and we talked about mid-May being where it's make or break time. You're either going to test this, fail, and then dump, or you're going to break it, and it's going to be a nice one. And here we are. All right, it was a probability situation. It was one or the other, big move up or down, and we got to the upside. Unlike Bitcoin in November, market conditions are much different than they were. What did he say? Carlos Matos. The world is not the same as it once was anymore, or something, dude. Okay, Carlos Matos connect. I hope to God that's a joke. It'll post in a second, I think. It's just lagging right now. I don't know. Super Chat lags on Stream Elements. Y'all listen.
Great stream, Roy. Mitch, what do you think about the Earth actually being flat, a topographical plane and not a globe? NASA lies. Faye plus Cripo equals win, heart.
Hey, you know what? I'll let the community speak for me, okay? Okay, y'all. All right. Go ahead. Cast your votes. We'll see how smart everyone is. All right? There it is. Go vote now. So the voting is in session. Many lives are at stake right now, okay? Many lives. Where'd my music go, man? What's happening, dude? I don't know, man. Hold on. Hood's undone. What's up, man? Put your hood back on, dude. You don't need to be catching pneumonia. Or pneumonia, as some would call it. Like pterodactyl, but pterodactyls, right? What? What indeed? I don't even know. I'm just trying to kill time so I can find a song or music. Okay, musica. Musica, whatever, dude. Alright. I don't know, man. Probably nothing wrong with... Yeah, screw it, man. Well, let's, yeah, we'll go to a little, we'll get it a little more upbeat. A little more back in 2019. Okay, we've been stuck in the 70s, 80s. Perfect. Perfect, man. All right. This is moon music for XRP. 46.39 cents. Up almost 15% today at session highs on the daily, 4-hour, 60-minute, every single minute or candle you could imagine. All right. Session highs. It's beautiful though, man. And I'm leaving on the daily just simply because I don't have these fibs plotted because I have other fibs plotted. And I got to keep it...
IOTA Connect. Listening to your live streams makes my boring day at work goes by faster. Keep it up.
Thanks, Rocky Win, man, for the $5 super chat, man. The Ethereum Connect or Ethereum Classic Connect in the jar. Thank you, man. Much love. Y'all vote. Vote away, man. Oh my God. What's up, Edward? Well, dude, Rocky Win, man, it makes me happy, but I really hope that I'm not taking away your productivity from work, because the last thing I want to do is, you know, get you in trouble. All right. So, thanks, man. Okay, more voting, because I don't think we have it enough. Dude, I'm actually kind of sad. I'm kind of scared here. Okay, let's pull up the voting. Flat Earth, 102 votes. What the heck, man? How is 31% say yes? Dude, what are y'all doing, man? Don't be trolling me. I'm letting the community vote for me, okay? Renewable guy, thanks for the 11% of XRP, man. 1 XRP, thank you. How about that XRP? Dude, Daniel, I'm looking at it right now, man. It's beautiful. Okay, this is terrible, y'all. Unacceptable. We need to get those numbers up. Cap up. All right, so you're just right at that wick, man. You're back at that December 24th wick. Remember, this was that wick that was CZ was like, hey, man, we're going to allow XRP pairs to be traded, and that was a trade setup we had. We had hit our second target because the market conditions sucked, and we ran up to that 618 golden retrace from your high to low. I remember this vividly that night, man. Remember, we were all, you know, doing Christmas stuff. We were singing TA Christmas carols. Y'all all remember that night. It was a great night, a great stream night. Oh my God. Dude, Gar, man, thanks so much, dude. Holy crap.
I hate being sick. Use the powers of the almighty TA to heal me, Plaza Kings all around.
The power of the Jesus man compels you, man. Okay, man? You are now cured. Enjoy your XRP. The XRP will be the shaman today. Alright, a blend of different types of X's, R's, and P's combined in the little mixing bowl, right? And you just snorted or something. You'll be good. Thank you, Garman, for trying to wreck me, okay? Anyone tipping 33.33 knows what they're doing, trying to make me chug a beer. Stream while I'm live, all right? So, again, man, should see 48 cents based on breaking that 1618. Daily, you are overbought. The most overbought we've been since September 2018, man. So many months. What, 7-8 months? We haven't seen this much strength on the RSI. Largest spike of positive momentum since, well, exactly where we are as a resistance, right, on price action. That wick, right, that CZ tweet. He was bored, sitting home with all his family members. I don't know. Maybe he does Christmas, maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, man, 13.6%. This is great. How's XLM doing? Let's go that 4 hour, excuse me. Oh, XLM performing better, up 20+% right now. Okay, oh my God. Who cares about Ripple when XLM's doing things too? Oh, okay, cool. You saw me on DLive for the first time? Holy crap, man. I'm pissed, man. I can't use Restream. Oh, scary, dude.
Stick with Mitch, he'll make you rich. AKA the Fibonacci Mariachi. Chug time.
No, en contraire, Senor Zenobi, man. Thank you for the 333, but muck ass. Serious muck ass.
Seen you on DLive, I meant for the first time, not drive. Harky board slip. Don't see on air anymore, but I'm glad you're on YouTube also. Thanks again.
Well, thank you, Harry Taylor, for the $10 today. Dude, it's really Restream's like broken for me. Like, it makes my screen melt, and it makes all the, see the chat, how it like updates, like as soon as someone like posts something, you see it. Like, Restream's really bad. It just like throws like 10 different messages at the same time. It's really laggy, and I don't like that, man. I don't want that type of chat. So if I have to, like, quality of life, man, I'm sticking with YouTube until, oh, Ethereum broke too. Owen J, nice, man. Thanks for the update. All right, XLM 100% exceeding the 100% retrace, but no confirmation. An hour left on your daily candle for everyone across the market. Okay, Ethereum connects. People are like, why is he calling everything connect, dude? All right, what are we talking about, man? Why would we not hit 248.64? We've already broken all the overhead resistance, man. All right, we broke it. We're going, dude. We're going to the zone. That's it. And remember the 236 is $260. That's the major 236. We're talking about from your most discernible, or your only discernible swing high from May 10th or something, or May 5th of 2018 to your lowest low from December 15th. So again, us hitting that's a big deal, because that's like, hey man, you do have a valid swing low now. Okay, that's your most shallow retrace, 260, which is crazy, man. Right? We'll see if we can hit it, man. Beautiful, dude. Why? No, please, no. Dude. You're asking, should you FOMO into Ripple now? No. That's not how it works. That's not how it works, man. So, thank you all for being here. Unfortunately, 145 votes, dude. This is 55 votes said yes. What? Chat. Well, whoever for the contribution, here you go. I guess you're only 56 of y'all are only enabling the person who thinks the Earth is flat. Okay, so shame on you. All right, that's only going to strengthen their resolve in the fight against the round earthers. What are y'all doing? Treachery. Okay. All right. That's it. The voting's closed. Most people see, I mean, barely most. Good God. 40% said yes. Oh my God. So what are we at on market cap? 254. Oh my God, dude. 12 billion off from 266, which was a critical resistance on the total market cap. Remember? Looked at it. Let me see if it's still there. Good God. Oh my God, the 3618 pivot extension. Holy crap, man. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, here's your total market cap, man. Total market cap. All right. You've exceeded the 382. 266 billion is the 50% retrace. Well, we've broken overhead resistance, so why in the living heck will we not run up to at least 261? That's the next overhead resistance on total market cap, assuming that technical analysis works on the total crypto market cap. It seems so far it has. It worked really well on the Gartley. My God. Worked well on the ascending triangle. So why would it not work with Fibonacci retraces? Okay. From your major discernible swing high back from May 5th, 2018, just like Ethereum swing high, to the low. We've broken critical resistance, and we should run to, again, at least 261. There's no reason, if this thing gives a crap about technical analysis, for us to not run up to those levels. That's exactly what you do, man. I'm being paid off by the round earth lobbyist. Yeah, clearly, dude. Sorry, I'm bought and paid for by that organization. Okay, Capo. Oh my God. Oh boy. I guess we learned more about chat today. All right. So, are we going to none kid Johnny Wick? If we can break 8,500, yes. If we can't break 8,500, we still might, but it might take us a much longer amount of time. Okay. So, it's a big deal, man. Big Kang's doing things. Total market cap right here, right? Yeah, it's beautiful. What? Oh, sorry. Wonderful news, man. All right, 14% on the day. About to hit it. Here we go, chat. Here we effing go. Come on, let's hit it. Fulfill the destiny of the technical analysis. Do it, man. Touch it. 247. Look what happens when you break channels. Crazy things happen, man. Well-established channels. You're running, man. Top of the, 250 is a rounded number, so anywhere in between these two horizontal lines is where we should see some resistance. Okay. What's up, Rafi K? Flood Dog, hello. Eli. D-Rex. Good to see a lot of y'all. Man, thanks for all the new faces in here. If you're new in here and you're enjoying the coverage of this crazy, crazy nice run we're having, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I stream twice a day for the most part. 7 days a week for the past 15 plus months, okay?
FOMO into XRP? Or is a retrace due?
A retrace is due at some point, okay? You're approaching the first major fib net at 48 cents or whatever, so... Right? 48 cents? We looked at it? I don't know. We've been looking... We've looked at like so many assets today already. So early in the stream. It's only an hour in, really?
Been watching last few streams V. Good. Found you on YouTube via BTC Live search. Can you look at Raven, please?
Sure, man. Thanks, Alex Mead, for the 666. Interestingly enough, that's Kin Connect in the jar, not ADA. I know. Someone paid to have an Kin Connect or Kin Coin emoji ball created for a 666 variation. Okay. All right, we're at it, man. We're at it. Zoom in, dude. There it is. So effing close. Yeah, Raven doing what everything else is doing, man. Wow, that's crazy. It was like a head and shoulders triple top, and it recovered. I don't know. It may have hit the measured move, though. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Oh, look at this one. Gotcha, man. Alright. Well, this is what it's looking like, man. Alright? Raven's a little different than the others, despite what you may believe, and I do understand maybe breaking out, but like, how could you determine that breakout? Maybe a double bottom too. Very ugly. Look at the difference, man. Right? This one has a down sloping resistance. Look where we are. We're hitting it right now. Wow. Alright. And if you were to break out on Raven, we know the measure moves on these descending, broadening wedges are just at the beginning of the structure. So 7.368467 cents. is that measure move, right? So not a very large one. Sometimes they're larger than others, but clearly you're respecting the living crap, yes, of this downsloping resistance. Sorry, Raven. I know you had a nice, stupendous run, and you're up like a lot today, right? Up almost 40%, but welcome to your resistance, man. You are contained within the parameters of this, all right? So if you break it, again, 7.36 plus cents, all right? Raven Coin Connect. Wow. All right. I wish it was more complex than that. It's really not. You're facing resistance. Disbelief stage, man. Are you scared? All right, Ethereum pulling back right at that what? Beginning of the overhead resistance zone? Yes. The No Man's Journey FOMO? Oh my god, please. Everyone calm down with the FOMO. How do you vote? Voting's closed, man. We're screwed. Too many people think the earth is flat. I'm just praying that it's all kappas, okay? All jokes. Who's a round earther these days? Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. Subhakur, John Cryptos. Stag and Zerf's correct, man. Gotta love the market movement. Around everywhere, man. Now, for a while, it was all Bitcoin, right? The meta has shifted so quickly in just a matter of days. Gotta love it. Impulse is doing well, man. This time last year, we had a big dump after consensus. Well, last year, Sir Charles, was extremely different conditions than this year, right? Last year, at this time, May 15th, the market was on fire. It was getting destroyed, okay? Because I know for a fact, May 5th, it all came tumbling down, man. All right, May Day, Cinco de Mayo, the whales caught everyone drunk and dumped it. After the altcoin spring that lasted about a month. April last year was it. There was not opportunity for long unless it was April. Okay, other than that, it's been devastating. It was devastating. All right. Dude, I don't know. You tell me. If you're up 40% and you're after that 40% gain, you're hitting a downsloping resistance. What do you think, dude? Okay, what do you think? On Ravencoin. Jeez, man. All right, so nice move up to the areas that you'd think we'd break. If we broke 224, we thought real quick 250. We're here, man. We're here. We're knocking on the door. Okay, anything above 250, I mean, your next resistance after that's 304. Okay. Raji, thanks for the $2.08. Thanks, man. Okay. Alright, so maybe we'll add an alert. We hear beep. Wow, making higher highs. We've got less than an hour, 51 minutes left until your daily and 4-hour close. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Like spike, sub spike, everything spike. Altcoin spike, Bitcoin spike. Let's go, man. Not getting on Bitcoin. Maybe we will. Going back to XRP. Alright, on that 4-hour, again, has been noted, we have exceeded the 1618 and we pulled back a little bit right near that 382. Well, we're not quite there yet, right? Going back to daily so you can see it. No, not even, I mean, we're close, but not close enough, right? There's a little resistance right here, that wick. Can we break it? It's actually, you know, the zone here, right? April of 2018 and December of 2018 is where we're testing it, okay? This is beautiful, dude. So again, between 48 cents and 59.9 cents, or roughly 60 cents, is the golden zone. Common retrace levels. Sorry, music's a little loud, right? Dang. Sorry. It's a little better. A diamond top can also act as a continuation pattern, Michael R. Lap. It's all about probabilities. Okay?
Vive/BTC, taking an Ergadabyte tip, what do you think? How about a peek in a Pokedash?
Who cares about this?
The Earth is a Rubik's Cube. The FOMO is strong today. How will the peeps handle a very healthy Retrace when it comes. Not if, but when. How is TSLA doing? Or is non-crypto verboten now? Smile, cheers, Mitch.
I guess, man. I guess. We can look at VIA, but we can't look at Tesla. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I don't know, man. VIA, see, people want to see these scrub BTC pairs. Like, terrible, miserable assets, dude. Like, who even cares, man? Like, who cares about this? Okay, what's the trend? The trend is terrible. Hey, look where we started, man. Oh, yeah, dude. Viacoin. Yeah, dude, let me guess. They created this cryptocurrency. They ICO'd to get more funding to expand the product that existed already. Oh, wait, no, they didn't. They didn't have a product. Okay. 7,000 sats. Well, nice little pump and dump. Nice Telegram group. Where to go to, man? What to go to? Oh, losing my mind. Oh, it ran up to, 20. This was the reason why Viacoin Con existed, okay? To run up to 250,000 sats and then going back to nothing, being a scrub. That's why it existed, for that move right there, probably. Okay. Someone made money on it. Okay. Jesus. But for now, man, impulse down. You had a retrace. Look, the impulse was bearish. You retraced 50% of the way. You sold off again. Hey, making a higher low. Congratulations on your higher low. All right. I don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, it's like range bound. Huge range. Didn't hit the bottom. I don't know, X, A, B, C, looking for D. Yeah, could be harmonic E, but dude, screw it, man. Low liquidity S coins, man. Why do we even care about this crap? We shouldn't care about Viacoin. We should make fun of it and make it, scold it, okay? Okay, 786 at a critical resistance point. Oh, that makes sense. All right, let's go then. All right, if you're going to do it, then do it, Viacon. Do it. Be a harmonic. Run up. Run up, dude. No one cares. But you don't plot these to run up. You plot them to go short at these areas if you hit them.
Respect the round earth.
That's right. Thanks, Rich Mate, for the $3.33. Repeating, of course. Kanks. Okay. All right. XRP. Session. Oh, closer to session high. What's up, Bishop, man? Thank you, dude. All right. Big green candles. Wonderful. Gladiator. Thanks so much, dude. Welcome. Thanks for all the new subs, man. We just hit over 8,600 subs. Very grateful for each and every one of you. Welcome to the show. We've been doing this over 15 months every single day. All right. Glad you're a part of it now. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead to Bitcoin real quick. We haven't really looked at it in, I think, a second. So beautiful, dude. Wait, you're supposed to look at something else. Sorry.
Is that a joint?
Submitch, can you confirm bullish divergence on Riot Daily, Golden Cross TZ?
Yeah, man. We'll look at it. Thank you, dude. Much love. Okay, this thing has much further to fall, Tesla, probably. Most likely now. I think now you're screwed. It's like a done deal. Like, you should see 212. Okay? I don't care what you're doing in intraday, in time, you will hit 212. All right? Go into it on the big screen. Why not? Tesla Connect. Okay? There was a critical support we had been holding since February 2018. First time here. Second time, March 2018. Third time was really, this was the abandoned baby. Is that a joint? Okay, this was literally this interview right here with the gap down with Joe Rogan.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
Right, and then we gapped up, and then we double bottomed and had a nice rally, then sold off, lower high than our previous highs, and then dumped, and here you are below that support that you've been holding for years. Okay, over 2 years. So again, expected, as discussed before, 212. We're waiting for it. It should be there in time. Yeah, I get it. Oh, is there bullish divergence? Yeah, there's a little bit of divergence, man. There is. All right, we'll plot it just so it can be noted for the record. But okay, what are you gonna do? Run up and back test it again at 243, then sell off? Okay, probably. Who cares? Okay, divergence there. And negative momentum could just keep picking up too if it wanted to, but then a little divergence on the RSI. Okay. So Tesla looks to be wanting to hit the fib extension from our previous low to high. That's how we get our fib extension, our targets. If we don't hold 212, you know, 200, and after 200 is 193.77, then 167 after that, the 1618. Good God, man, right? Wow. Sorry, man. Tesla Connect, straight up, dude. All right. Goodness gracious. All right, you're asking me questions about Riot, which seems very similar to, you know, a crypto asset that's been recovering, right? It's a, you know, Riot blockchain. Dude, it's so hard to scale this. Oh my God, man. All right. I remember this, dude. Riot went up to $46. It's at $4.51 now. Smells like crypto, man, doesn't it? Ryan B, welcome in. So you're saying, let me make sure I got this. Can you confirm bullish divergence on Riot on the daily? Cup with handle, lower high, cup with handle. Definitely looks like some sort of cup with handle. Yeah, it looks beautiful rounding action. My God. Bullish divergence on the daily. No. No divergence on the daily. Sorry, man. Golden Cross is teasing April 17th. Yeah. Certainly is, man. Fibonacci from your previous discernible swing high to low. 62% retrace before reversing your price action. But if you're in an uptrend, you're not going to sell off too much, right? We can just fib. What's our retrace? Low to high. We've retraced 50% of the way before bullishly haraming. And we're struggling to, you know, we're back above the 50-day moving average, but we're rejecting the 20-day. All right. So we got to break back above that 20-day moving average. And you really, really have to break $5.16. Otherwise, you're going to be getting some sort of down-sloping neckline, head and shoulders pattern. So careful on that. But I don't really know how we can, I mean, it might be just megaphoning, right? Hard to chart a channel here, right? Trying with 1 and 2. Right? Did anything, you're like, yeah, okay. That makes some sense. It's like 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom. And it's like you fell out, but you're getting back into the channel now. So, I mean, it's uptrending. It's made a 50% retrace, but there's no bullish divergence. No, you need another hump that is lower than your previous level. So, no. There was, what's from this side to this side? Okay, there was no divergence. There was no bearish divergence, and there's no bullish divergence now since we sold off. Nope. But when we sell off one more time, we could double bottom or make a slightly lower low or hit the 1618. We would then probably most likely, almost certainly have bullish divergence. Okay. There you go, man. Riot Connect. Nice. Very nice. Oh, sorry, man. That's right, Wilfred. Yes, 248. We've been covering it, man. We've been covering all these alts pumping today, man. Pumping hard. Speaking of a pumper, XLM, man. All right. Right at that 100% retrace, right? Big rejection there. Can't break it. Perfect. Makes all the sense in the world while you're stalling here. Okay, that's what you do at 100% retraces. They're big, big resistances. How come other planets spin on their axis? What? So I don't get the question. All right. Do I look at patterns? Of course I look at patterns. This is a pattern right here. This is a falling wedge. A kind of scuffed falling wedge, but it's there, man. Pretty nice. What's up, Larley, dude? How you enjoying the crypto pump, man? Stock market scrubby recovery. That's just nothing, right? Yes, Ethereum pump, man. Yeah, we broke it, and we're going to. There it is. Yep, hitting it. Overhead resistance, man. Of course. What happens when you break overhead resistance, upsloping resistance, man? You go to the next overhead resistance at 250. I'm not crazy, man. We've been talking about this. Holy crap. So yeah, hitting it. So see if we can exceed it. Okay, exceeding it, getting to the top of that resistance zone, whatever. It's going to be 255, but 250 is the rounded number, so you know that could also play a pivotal role as a resistance. Okay. So beautiful, man. All right. Beautiful. Make that visible on the daily. Hold on. Okay, so fantastic, man. Fan-freaking-tastic. Again, breaking this area, besides the scrubby little resistance here, 259. I mean, you could have an easy run to 300 bucks, man. It's the or on the way down. You didn't spend any time consolidating on these dumps, so that means when the recovery happens and you start running up like this, sentiment changes. It's going to be the same way back up because, dude, you don't build support resistance. Therefore, it's just like a freaking wormhole, man. You go straight up to the next resistance. You hold it as a resistance for a while, and if you find the buying pressure, you just run up to the next one, man. Okay. And we know the golden zone, the major golden zone. Did a video on it. It's between 370 and 549, despite how crazy it sounds. But guess what? Welcome to the crazy world of crypto, where things move from $1,400 to $80. Yeah, 370. It's just think about things in regards to percentages, not so much price. Okay. Crazy, man. Beautiful though, man. Session highs. About to be hitting 250, man. Let's go, dudes. You haven't hit it yet, I don't think. Maybe on another exchange you have. But right here, to Tether, it's going to. Bitcoin doing absolutely nothing right now, okay? While these altcoins pump hard. Yeah, XLM got love finally, dude. It did it, man. And thanks for the 904 people tuned in. Holy crap, 420 likes.
Is that a join?
I demand that no more likes happen. Okay. Whatever. Just kidding. But you get it. Ethereum's up 15.4% today. What a dream, man. What an effing dream this crypto market has been since January 29th. Okay. So much opportunity this year. So much. Started with the Bitcoin pairs. Then I went to Bitcoin. Stayed at Bitcoin for a little while, and now it's altcoins, the US dollar pair.
Look for the Leo multi-divergence indicator on TradingView. It will show you the divergence against RSI, OBV, %B or volume, on any time frame. I will put it in Discord too. Go NASA.
Sweet, man. Thanks, Hink, for the threes. What's up, EkHM, man? Thanks for joining. Appreciate the sub, man. Bad connect. Oh, this is the one, right? Remember I was like, oh yeah, it was the 62% retrace and bounced. It wasn't whatever one I was looking at. It was this one, dude. And I know, like, of course, more data, but I'm just saying, we're looking at Tether, dude. Like, from the lowest point of this chart to the highest point, a 62% retrace perfectly. Okay. And you had a nice breakout, right? You broke out, and now you're running to higher highs. Beautiful, man. Okay. And so now we know 618 is where we bounced, so it's not really relevant to us anymore, but it was beautiful to know. Golden retrace, man. High to low for those targets, man. We have exceeded the 50% retrace. We almost hit the golden retrace at 41.12 cents. Dang, dude. Neck and neck, BAT and XRP. Who will win? BAT's up 10% today to the US dollar. All right, so if you exceed the 618, it should be pretty easy to run up to the 78% retrace. There's not much any resistance on this chart. 44.79 cents. And really, I mean, like, breaking the 618, you're going to have a much higher chance of running to 886, 100% retrace. Okay, on BAT. But again, it really depends on the macro, right? These alts have been doing so well today. We don't really know how, if Bitcoin just starts pumping, what it's going to do to these alts. Okay, what will Bitcoin volatility do to this price action? Okay. Excuse me. Only one red coin on Binance. Which one is it, Jonathan King, man? Alright, George. Congratulations on your sick fat gains, dude. Okay. Thank you, Defunk. Appreciate it. Oh, it's, okay, so on Coinbase it's hit like 252 or something like that. That's awesome, man. Okay. There you go, Ben. Do it, man. Sorry, man. Just, hey, Black Plasma, what's up, dudes? Where'd you go? It's funny. Before you, I didn't even read what you said, but boom, it's done, dude. Black Plasma, it's done. What's up, Drama Llama? XRP for Lisk, what? How high will Ethereum go? Dude, I mean, where were you last night? We talked about it could go as high as 250 if it breaks 230 or whatever. Okay, it's here. It's at the area where we were like, this is where you should go. This is how high it could go for now.
Hey Mitch, I know things are lit these days, but I think I'm still waiting on my XRP/BTC chart from a few nights ago. Thanks. Hope everyone is making gains.
I don't understand. What do you mean you're still waiting on your XRP chart? Yeah, 100% retrace bounced. Yep, big bounce. But that it did, man. Yeah, dude, congratulations on your 5,600 sats when you hit your lowest low of 4,000 sats. Yeah, bounce, man. That doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean you're bullish now. Right? Huge dump, right? Huge breakout. The downtrend, rising wedge, dumped, measured move, and then 100% retrace back from September 2018. And once you hit it, man, there wasn't any real divergence. No, there was no divergence on the daily on either oscillator. It was just kind of, you were hitting all-time lows 12 again on the RSI, and then just probably because it was 100% retrace, you bounced. But you're breaking above the 20-day moving average, but you're still below the 50, so it doesn't really mean much, man. I mean, like, whatever. Let's just use some trend lines. 1 and 2. Where's your resistance? It's way up here. Good luck, man. You're gonna break that? Good freaking luck, man. That's so high. And good luck breaking the 50-day moving average if this trend remains intact, which is down sloping. Okay. Good luck, dude. Gross. I mean, good stuff on the 2 green candles and the bullish engulfing, but just because you bullishly engulf, yeah, about time, man. Wow. We're so proud of you, XRP to BTC. Okay. No, I can't do Pundycoin for $2 super chat. Sorry, man. It's that's disrupting the stream. No, dude, I can't do it. Sorry. But we can look at assets that aren't decentralized Indian cell phone companies or whatever. Okay. Like ADA, man, exceeding the 786 near session highs. 88.6% retraces at 9.516 cents. Okay. So, man, positive momentum, kind of double topping, still building the highest level, and you're slightly over. I mean, you are overbought, but you're not diverging at all. It's just convergence. So, look for a retrace at either 100% or 88% retrace, man. This is great. It's wonderful. Falling wedge channel, whatever you want to call it, broke out of both, and you're running. Why? Well, guess what, dude? This was the impulse that set the tone for the consolidation. When you have impulses up, you want your consolidation to be downsloping so people can accumulate at areas of value. Areas of value are signified with Fibonacci. It's how we know when there's areas of value. And so, once we hit deep enough of a retrace, we bounced. Simple as that, man. It's great. Thanks, Alfonso, man. Okay, white toe. Sure, man. Good God, man. It's legit, man. Seriously. Yeah, but hey, you can call it legit all you want, Louis, but doesn't mean I'm going to cover it in this stream for a $2 super chat. All right.
Hey Mitch, honest opinion on bearable guy 123 XRP May please.
What does that even mean, Rosh? Thank you for the $5 super chat. $5 US super chat. Dude, that doesn't help me, man. Okay. So, I don't know what... Does anyone know what that means? I mean, it says, hey, Mitch, honest opinion on bearable guy, XRP May, please. I don't know his opinion. Can someone tell me his opinion? Thanks. Pundy, prism chart, please. Yeah, dude. Dude, like, whatever, man. Like, coming in here, demanding an asset like Pundy coin. All right. Cardano is up 8.53%, man. All right. Monera's up 13% almost. XRP, 11%. Ooh, man, we're getting some movements going on, dude. Like, I'm just looking at the, there's a list over here, it's watch list. All right. How's XLM holding? Okay, still holding below the 100% retrace, where 80K could go if it wants to. If we exceeded that, then your targets would be set for you at 14.8 cents, but that's a big if, because that's this is a huge run up, man, to hit 100%, dude. This is like, people take profit here. Okay. He is an XRP dude. But what is... That doesn't help me know his opinion, okay? He is a predictor or XRP insider. Okay. But that, again, like... It's impossible. Oh, he said to 589. Did he, man? Probably not. But anyway. Teehee. Okay. Let's go to Bitcoin, because we actually haven't. We got sidetracked. So Coinbase? Yeah, we're looking at Coinbase. Dang, dude. Sorry, I thought I was like lagging. Good. Here we are, man. Getting squeezed in between. An upsloping support, a horizontal line support at 7760 from 2018, and then we've got the overhead resistance zone that starts at 8230 and ends really at 8500 roughly. Okay. It's a sleeping monster, yeah, dude. Decentralized Indian cell phones. Yes, a sleeping monster. Okay. Look up his videos then? No, I'm not under any obligation to look up someone's videos. Okay, man. That's weird, dude. That's not like what I do. I'm not like I comment on people's comments. That's not like this channel. Like 90% plus of other crypto channels will be glad to comment on commenting, but it's just we do commenting on technical analysis here. I know it's crazy, man. Yeah, it'd be much more exciting if people demanded I look up coins, right, dude? I never do Litecoin. Yeah, bravo, John. Give me a break, man. I did a freaking static video today. Good God. BAT, still waiting, man. This is BAT. This is the idea, at least, of BAT to BTC. There you go, man. Okay, you're holding above the 200-day moving average, but you've done nothing. I mean, you've held. That's it. You could be double bottoming here, but the daily looks kind of crappy. I mean, a little bit of divergence, high or low with a double bottom, but okay, so we rally. We rally and make a lower high than our previous highs, and then we dump again. Then what? It's like you just have to patiently wait, potentially, for an entry. All right.
Hey Mitch, new sub here. Joined a couple of days ago. Loving the show. Do you ever cover money management or just strictly technical analysis?
I strictly cover technical analysis, yeah. You start getting into financial advice stuff in that territory, okay? So, yeah, man. Thanks, dude, for the threes, dude. Alright, but I have conversations with people all the time about that kind of stuff, but it's not really something we cover live or talk about, okay? Crypto AZ, I'm on my period. Because people are demanding Pundy coin, right? I understand. But appreciate it, man. A Will It station, man. Will it? Well, I mean, Ripple, dude, we've been covering the crap out of Ripple. I think Ripple's been doing awesome today, and it deserves its respect, man, right? Right. Exceeding the 1618, trying to run up to the next resistance. It's beautiful, dude. So freaking beautiful. Oh my god, man. No. It's lagging, Zach. Sorry, man. Hey, Margo, man. Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. All right. Thanks for all the new subs. Thank y'all so much, dude. It's just been a crazy past 5-6 days. Optima PC, thanks for the $1 super chat, man. Thanks, dude. Thanks, man. Says, how dare you tell us how to, what is it? How dare you tell us how to not tell you to run your channel? Oh, much love, man. Thanks for all the work. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate that. Oh my god, man. Well, I guess that Octaman, your contribution connects with his, I guess. So it exceeds 3. I don't think I ever looked at it. Alright. There's no data here. Let me see if there's more data on something else, okay? Okay, there we go. Well, Pundy coin of the US dollar, since we're US dollar world now. Okay. Pretty simple. Downtrend, anchor point 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the top is what you got, right? And so we know from just a discernible use. Swing high we see on the daily, the wick to the low. We got close to that golden zone, but not yet. So we would expect between, I don't even know what is that, man? Whatever that amount is. Good God. It's like 9% of 1 cent, okay? It's the 382. It could go between 9% of 1 cent up to 13.5% of 1 cent if you were just to make a common retrace, which it looks like we might have already done that, okay? Oh yeah, dude. Super, super bullish, man. Oh yeah, dude. I'm so mean for talking crap about something that just look okay, yeah. I see you, baby. Let's go. Nothing but terrible. Alright. But hey man, you might make a common retrace like many other S coins. So good luck. Remember what I just said. 9% of 1 cent. We're actually at 7.3% of 1 cent of 1 penny. Wow. Spectacular. So much polarization. Okay. What's up, probes, man? Starting to feel like fall 2017 so bad. Jeez, man. Not on the stock market. I remember that feeling, dude. The stock market feeling back in fall of 2017. It was amazing. It was great, man. It was a great S-coin, dude. Thanks, man. If we're sitting at overhead resistance on Bitcoin, though we could run up, right? You always could. There's a chance, probabilities, right? You gotta think, man. Overhead resistance is areas where there's high risk for taking long positions, man. Those are not the areas to be taking long positions. Even though it might just run up anyway. Dude, that's not how trading works. Trading is like you're playing the numbers game, so you have to do things over and over and over to be successful. And if you're right this time, it's probably really bad. Okay. Because then you're going to get this false sense of, oh, I did it right. Let me just do this again. Let me practice the same bad method that's going to make me lose money in other conditions. Right now, these conditions are extremely, I don't know, they're FOMO-y, it feels like, but maybe not. Run. Sun run. What? Oh. I don't know, man. Be careful on run. Looks like it's double topping. Like crazy. Oh, it's a higher high double top. Very bad, man. Very, very bad. Jeez. Big connect. No, no, no. Hey, thanks for the $2 super chat, dude. Kanks. Yes, minimizing risk. And when you take a position at an overhead resistance after you've, I don't know, what's the percentage gains on Bitcoin the past 5 days? Anyone? When you do that, taking a long position is high risk. I'm sorry. Okay. Do it over and over again. It's bad. All right. So, trying to utilize this tool a little bit more. It looks a little better, I guess. What? Oh, okay. Be like that. Okay, remember, Volkowski talks about double tops, double bottoms. Double tops that have a higher high end up performing much, much better if they break out, okay? So that means this one has all the makings of a varsity athlete, okay, to destroy itself. All right, oh, dang, dude, I can't even get it right, man. Well, all right, so anyway, maybe let's get rid of the horizontal line, just make it a trend line so you can see. All right, here's the neckline, whatever you want to call it, the critical support, the breaking point for this asset.
Can you look at that in breakfast coin to the USDT real quick? All-time highs today. Alien. Balloon.
Yep. Yeah, we looked at it earlier, and we'll look at it again, man. Thanks, dude. All right. Okay, so anyway, measure move. Jeez. What the heck is it? That's cool. All right, I'm just going from really here. Right? Being a little conservative. Lolly, you like this one, man? Pretty hot, isn't it? Beautiful.
This is for entertaining me for 4 hours after work and giving me an excuse to ignore the family.
Octoman PCs, thanks for the $10 super chat, dude.
Hey, you're absolutely killer on TA. Really appreciate the work you do for all of us. I was wondering if you could check out Sia Coin.
Sia Coin Connect. Sure, dude. We'll look at South Carolina coin. Thank you, dude. I don't know what we've been looking at, though. Well, yeah. Okay, yeah, we can look at it to the US dollar, I guess, since I've never looked at it before. But dang, dude. Talking about range bound. Yeah, yours at the top of a crazy array of resistance, it looks like. Hey, you broke above the 200 moving average. Wonderful. Yeah, we'll look at it. Okay. Holy crap, man. It's lagging, Derek, I think. B-Slice. Hold on a sec. So, this is the... Alright, despite any kind of not looking really zoomed out, it's great. Bullish, you know, trend's been bullish, but dude, I'm sorry, man. This right here. And look at that divergence involved, too. This double top? Jeez, man. Oof. Hard to say, man. You peaked, like, while you were already neutral. What? So I don't know if we could talk much about the divergence on the MACD. It's kind of weird, right? I mean, you did have a high, but the peak was here, and again, we were in negative territory in the peak. But either way, I mean, you can just see from the previous highs, like, those are lower levels of positive momentum, so whatever. The thing just dumped, man, just dropped off. It was holding on to positive momentum, and just like, nope, see you, bye. All right, I think just gap downs and stuff. So if we were to sell off and hit a measure move, this is a potential double top. All right, but if we broke this, I'm just going to add an alert. If we broke that, man, measure move would push you all the way down to $10.44, okay, on a run, sun run. Be careful, dude. Because it looks like we got an Icarus situation on our hands. Okay, Icarus running to the sun. His shoes are going to melt like wax, okay? Don't get wrecked. Thanks, dude. BNB. Yep, all-time highs. Almost $27 today. Good God, right? It's beautiful, dude. Go to the 4 hour. We have it all. All right, wonderful. We hit no... Look, we got no higher than the 1618. Still haven't. From your high point to, well, previous high point to low point, 1618. From this high point to low point, probably makes the most sense. I don't know, man, but it is a discernible swing high. So... there's probably confluence. If we fib it here, it's probably a 1272. Yeah, so it's the 1272 from this high to low. So we have confluence here, right? Two different swing highs to the same swing low. gives us that confluence and gives us, you know, more confirmation to believe that would be a strong resistance that would be tough or maybe impossible to break, right? All right, confluence. High. So low. See, there it is, man. Two different fib nodes converge, the meeting of two rivers. That is what confluence means, all right? Anyway, got it? Cool? We cool, man? All right. Yeah, dude, all-time highs. Big run, and we're hitting fib extensions. So, no structure. What do you want from me, man? We had, you know, this was the Binance stuff, and then we booted, we rallied, we got back in the channel, we actually back tested it a couple times as support, and then we were gone, man. There you go, B-Slice. That was your real quick BNB. All right. What is it? Scuffed Elon voice for the super chats. Man, I wish we could do that. I wish we could do stuff like that. I mean, they only have like just normal. They have a bunch of different ones. They have a lot, but they're just not like celebrity voices and stuff. It would be best like that. So there it is. Why did it take so long? Derek said, cover some trading and TA basics for us noobs. I mean, like, dude, that is like a big question. Like, what kind of aspect of technical analysis do you want to be covered? All right. And then, sorry, trying to keep up with this. Your good luck will help. Will VET continue up? I mean, it seems so. I think there's no reason. I mean, maybe we'll pull back and we'll consolidate. But remember, in the grander scheme of things, I think we should hit eventually 93% of 1 cent in time. But again, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen today or tomorrow or probably in the next few days. Well, I don't know, it's crypto. But in the short term, great, man. But here, this is where people will take profit. People will be like, oh, 100% retrace. Okay, man. Other people will be taking profit up here, 85.47% of 1 cent. Okay, so the beautiful double bottom measure moves hit. I mean, these people take profit, but like, you know, just like with XRP, the double bottom target got hit, and we've gone way beyond that. I mean, if this is XRP is up at much higher levels, way up here, man. All right, but beautiful, man. So again, daily, dude. Okay, I guess like steering into technical analysis and stuff. All right, for Derek, man, when you have an impulse up, okay, you set the tone for the consolidation, right? If it's down sloping, is bullish, right? So what you're looking for is impulse up, then you down slope in your consolidation before you can run again. Not this.
Mitch, does my chart work on a long-term view, yes or no? Get that moon boy hat on.
Where's this at, Love Flutter? Thanks for the $10 contribution, man. Much love. Hold on, man. Sorry, dude. Losing my train of thought. We're going, man. We're going hard. I have to wear a hat, man. We gotta do a vote, man. This is like can change the rules for bull markets. Good God. Oh, that's an image. What are y'all doing? Oh wow. What? Okay, got you. Okay, man. The jar is full. The jar is full, so that means I have to wear a hat. So y'all get to pick what the hat is. All right. Okay, so the voting has begun. Good luck, y'all. Oops. So yeah, just simple technical analysis stuff. When you have impulses, you want to down slope your consolidation, because that is where people, after the impulse, they say, hey man, this thing's high. It's real high. I don't want to pay a premium for it. I've got a lot of money, but I want to get in on this. So it's like, okay, they wait. All right, you look for 38% retraces, 50% retraces, 62% retraces, and people say, hey man, at these levels, there's value, right? We're always like talking about Amazon sale, man. Oh my God, a 50%, 62% sale. And then we rally from there because there's accumulation, because the impulse set the tone for the consolidation. But if you have an impulse up and then you just upslope with your consolidation, no one with money or knows what they're doing is able to accumulate Okay, so they don't. And so eventually you'll just keep making these higher highs and demand will dry up and then you'll see a huge dump to the downside. Okay, so that's it. That's a little bit of $3.33, a little TA for you. Okay, a little education, right? Consolidation, the way it forms is very important. So it's to be noted. It's all psychological. All right, so big breakout of the downsloping consolidation as expected, and we're still not done. We don't think we think in time we should eventually hit from your only discernible swing high to low. We should hit between 94.3% of 1 cent and 1.3 cents. Sorry, it would be cent. Yeah, that's it, man. B-chain. Two birds with one stone right there, man. Education with the analysis. Okay. Go ahead and vote, man. Can't believe y'all are voting on that one, man. Jeez, man. Y'all killing me. What is this? A Center for Ants. Thanks for the 821 people tuned in. Alan S., you have no idea what you're talking about, okay? You have no idea what you're talking about. But welcome. Oh, I guess we should listen to this random guy, okay? Dude, you just need to... Your, like, negativity is, like, really bad. Okay, listen to that. This S doesn't work. Ethereum would have pulled back by now. F Ethereum. Like, dude, did your parents not love you enough? Like, what happened, man?
Mitch, do the charts need to be perfect? Meaning not showing any gaps.
Well, gaps seldom happen in crypto unless an exchange closes down because it's a 24/7 market. And so, I don't know, what do you mean? Like, if you're talking about stocks and stuff, you could just picture if you gap down, right? Let's see, for instance, let me think about a nasty gap down, right? I don't know, if you run up, okay, whatever, and then there's earnings or something, and then you just gap down, right? Right? You could just think of this like one large red candle down, man, if you need to visualize it, okay? And so then it's like, oh, upsloping consolidation to a huge impulse, okay, bear pull, bear flag, dump again, right? So, I don't know what that means about being perfect, though, okay? Dude, it's just the negativity, man. It's like, who's being negative in this market? It's so crazy, dude. It's like, gee, it didn't work. I've only been here 5 minutes, dude, but I know you've been here, well, I don't even know you've been here 15 months plus doing all this stuff in a bear market, and it's extremely good. Like crazy. I've been here 5 minutes. Do Bundy coin. Okay, dude. Why y'all doing this to me, man? It's like not even close. It's like people are buying votes for the hat, okay? Seriously. There you go. Lolly says, guys, trading, investing, and technical analysis is all about probabilities. Nothing's 100%, and we never pretend it to be, all right? But people who are ignorant, who have no idea what it even is, will think it is some sort of fortune telling, okay? Okay, baby. All right. Bitcoin now. Bitcoin breaking just a little bit to its highest high, at least, of the day, which is great. So we're going to switch back over to that. Here it is, man. I mean, this is the highest high we made today. So good for us. I mean, I just had the alert set up. Why not? We haven't even tested yesterday's high. So, which is at 83.46. So, probably, I mean, seems like you would probably get close to that point. All right. Drew T, welcome, man. Thanks for making it to the stream. Bat running, everything's running, dude. Oh my God. Uptrend, told you we're getting squeezed between an upsloping support, a horizontal line support, and now we have overhead resistance. You're running, you have no more room. I mean, you've got actually a little bit more room. Just a little, like 1-2 candles if you want it. So look, already pulling back a little bit, clearly respecting that overhead resistance way back from 2018. All right, it was, it's a weird overhead resistance. It's got like a couple highs. All right, and that's why we had to create this big zone with different trend lines. You see, there's like, look left. You've exceeded the July 28th candle high close, but you yesterday, I believe you maybe hit 8284, but this is the next one. And then after that, you would then break and see a candle high close from 83, 88, 8400 to 8500 with the wicks. Oh, excuse me. All right, so this is where we are. You break all this stuff. Real good shot of 9500 or 9000 at least, because psychological rounded number. But dude, at that point, it's like 9,000. Oh, what's 10,000, right? Pulling back. See, pulling back below the areas that we need to break. These are resistances, and we have failed to break it, so we're back down to 8180 right now. Selling off more and more pretty bad. As you can see, we're going to... Oh, big rejection. Look at the rejection. 2 days in a row now. Oh, boy. Not too bad, though, man. I mean, it's really not much, right? As long as you stay above 81, or what is it? 8,000. Shoot, man. And on this candle, you go all the way down to like 79, 89. You'd still be in the upsloping channel. So whatever, man. But just rejected it again. With 3 minutes left on the daily and the 4 hour, okay? So you just went in saying, hey, man, we're going to attempt it one more time before the close. And, well, we just failed. Okay, we failed twice now. Uh-oh. Failed twice to break this resistance. Let me in, Rick Schmitz. Wix43 says, hi, Mitch, from Pakistan. I've been a subscriber for almost a year and been watching your videos. You have inspired me to mature my technical analysis. Thank you for spreading knowledge. Good luck. Thank you, Wix, man, for chiming in, Mr. Lurker. And it gives me great fulfillment that you have been positively influenced by the stream. That's awesome, man. That's what it's all about, dude. Empowering others. Unless, you know, look, dude, if people are going to come in here and try to attack what we stand for, well, that ain't going to happen, dude. I'm sorry. But for people that have an open mind, that want to learn, that are mature adults, yeah. You don't have to be an adult. I mean, I guess you can be a young adult, whatever. But there it is, man. Big indecision. Mysteries abound. 2 minutes left. That's right, Kiki says, be curious, be humble, but question everything. Invest in yourself. Very good, Kiki. Wyckoff will be proud, all right? Sharuba, I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. Come on, we gotta break it. We need to break the resistance zone. And it's a large one, too, okay? Oh no, with scrubs again, Nick Brabant. Yes, looks like it. True, but I thought that we didn't teach buy randomly without a trading plan and just hope for the best. And now it's a red candle. Now you have to ask me in live chat, should you sell now, right? That's not how it's really done, right? Don't we trade like patterns? Why don't I take crypto donations, Southern Seekers UK? Pfft, I do. I've received crypto donations today, live, on stream, and everyone saw it. So, do you take crypto donations or not? Presumptively saying, without really knowing, why do you not take crypto donations, right? Someone want to show the way? Kick. Mature adult Canatomo, can of tomatoes, man. Thanks for the 321, dude. Much love. That guy right there, he's a Jeopardy champion, dude. No one can even touch him. What's up, Uzi? Yeah, like one or a Ribble doing things, man. Definitely doing things. What's Stellar doing? Stellar of 24.5%. SMP. What's up, dude? Welcome. Dang, dude, mysteries abound with your daily closing in 20 seconds. All right. We just can't break it, man. We're trying. But closing the day, not above it, below it. Well, we closed it. We actually ran up, rejected it, and then closed below with 10 seconds left, man. All right. You'll take an 8,200 close, but dude, it's like below resist. We gotta break it, man. All right, you closed. Mysteries abound. A doji, man. So just remember, we could sell off all the way down to 8,050 if we wanted to stay inside the channel that we are in. This is all we got, man. This is all we got. The structure is upsloping, but it's very upsloping, okay? Thanks, Martin O, man. Thanks for the 800 people tuned in. Dude, thanks for the 500 likes. Y'all are incredible. Okay. We got 26 Pundy Connect fans in here. All right. Even though we looked at it, but it's just ridiculous. Okay, dude, Mysteries Bound, still. 8,200, still above it. Alright, how's everything else doing? How's it look? XLM, man, going. It's going to 1272. 14.8 cents, let's go, baby. Let's hit that target, that fib extension. Oh my god. We're gonna do it, man. We're gonna hit the fib extension, dude. Come on. It's like already up almost 4% today. We just opened like a minute ago. Wow, altcoin action. Not so much Bitcoin. I know people want Bitcoin to do well, but does it really matter when altcoins are doing stuff like this right now? Is that not sexual enough for you, chat? Typing intensifies. Yes. If only you knew, man. If only you knew. Gosh dang it, man. Cryptovia is shady for what they did. You mean they're frauds, right? They're fraudulent, pretty much, right? Go figure, crypto. What? Daily close on Ethereum was beautiful. Art of Jar, awesome, man. Yeah, we'll circle to it. We're just, I mean, look, XLM dude's kind of doing some really insane things right now in real time, and I know other things are too. But dude, this is nuts, man. Session highs, we just begun. Asia's waking up, dude. They're like up. They're beginning to wake. It's like some are up now, right? Yeah, it is going up, but come on, XLM's doing things better than most. XLM has some things are in the red now. A lot are in the red, just because the day just changed, but this one's still up like a lot. Wow. Yeah, Bitcoin's down to 81.58 right now. Okay, remember we can go as low as 8,050 or something before breaking that channel. But lower high was established than our previous high, right? We never actually tested the top of the previous high from yesterday. Prepare for more and more hate as my channel grows. Sabatru. Thanks for teaching, man. Learned so much from you so far. Samsara, thanks, dude. Really appreciate the kind words. Yeah, dude. I mean, the hate, though, is like so weird. It's like such weird hate. It's like, you won't look at a really crappy coin that literally doesn't like make any money. It's just an asset, right? You won't look at it for me. It's like, what? You get mad at me, dude. Been doing this 15 plus months, man. What's going, man? It's going. Your bag's moving like crazy, dude. Up like nearly 30% right now from like yesterday and today combined, right? But you know, these things like this are going to have nasty, these violent delights are going to have violent ends, as they say in Westworld, right? The hat vote, oh God, you don't want the hat so effing bad. I'm not even drunk, man. I'm gonna be sober vet moon boy while Bitcoin sells off. Well, this market probably all sells off. Been live now 2 hours. Okay, y'all. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub, okay? Amazing. I'm gonna deal with this hat. What were y'all doing? Y'all like paid off people to get vet moon boy votes or something? God, it's like my least favorite one, man. It's like, oh, God. Okay. Whatever, man. Some people thrive on hate because they have nothing positive in their lives. They want to bring you into their misery. Yep, well, it's real easy to ban people, dude. What is that, Greg? I've never even heard of that in my life. Never heard of that, man.
Since people are demanding, I jokingly request the S-Coin XCon.
XCon, dude. Wow, who would ever name their S-Coin XCon, dude? Jeez. Someone wanted, while XLM makes crazy highs and is approaching that 1272 fib extension, someone wanted to see a coin. I'll look at it for a second. Range bound, you break this overhead resistance, you could have a nice run up. That's all I'll say, man. Okay. Fibonacci, high to low. What? High to low. Alright, so we know the swing low is valid. So anyway, just a common retrace for this C coin would be between 44% of 1 cent and 58% of 1 cent, man. All right, if it can break, but high risk areas. But again, breaking this would yield you a smooth ride up. Okay. Because no resistance looking left. Not really. The one scrub wick. Wow, if that wick stops, you screw see a coin. Okay, completely. All right. That's it, dude. All right, we've done it, man. We've done it. The 1272, ladies and gentlemen, has been hit. We will have a big round of applause for XLM, dude. You did it, man. You did it. Tons of volume. My God. Tons of volume to push this thing to the goal line. All right. A lot of time left on this 4-hour candle, though, man. All right, up 5% on the day, and the day started 8 minutes ago. Okay. Kappa Westworld. I'm a host. Cold of Crypto, man. All right. So just reading some chat, man. Okay, I've been live for 2 hours, 7 minutes, so I'm like overtime. We're exceeding the 1272, mother of God. All right, who's big brother now, XRP, in terms of price action? Well, it looks like little brother has just grown up on you, and he's going to give you a swirly, what are they called? A nookie. Going to give you a, what do they call them? Indian sunburns, right? Looks like XLM might be straight up bullying. But XLM is bullying XRP right now with this price action, up 6+% in 8 minutes after already running up 25+%. Are you kidding me, man? It's crazy. So crazy. Good God. And Bitcoin's literally doing nothing. It's just going sideways right now. All right, believe me, if Bitcoin was doing something, we'd be looking at it right now, okay? But this looks like the biggest mover so far. Okay. 7-day recap, Ed McCracken, dude. Bitcoin gone moon. And that's about it, dude. All right. What's the next one we're supposed to look at? Dude, I don't even know anymore. Oh, God, XCon. 7-day recap. Again, Bitcoin doing things. Altcoins doing things. All right, that's your 7-day recap. Kinks. It's actually on TradingView. Okay, good. At least it's a joke. Here it is. Here's your XCon. Connect coin. But it's called XCon. Dude, are they just blatantly letting people know it's a scam? Connect coin, BitConnect, and then con is in the ticker. Good luck. Yeah, have fun with this one, dude. Yeah, they IPO'd or ICO'd to expand, well, to get, to expand to get more money and capital to increase their product that's so good, Kappa, because it's nothing. I don't even know what this crap is. Who cares? Immediately sold off, and now it's doing nothing. Do you really want me to try to chart this? I mean, do you want me to go from a low point to a high point to get fib extensions and be at a 1272114? It doesn't matter, man. Sure, okay, it breaks the upside. Oh my god, TA is fake because there's not data to really do anything at all here, okay? So, and really, again, XCon, or we could look at XLM run to the 1414 fib extension at 15.53 cents. We're about to touch it, man. It just keeps going. We're up almost 10% on the day, chat. 12 minutes in, less than 12 minutes in to this new candle. This will not end well. When the rug gets pulled, this thing will pull back insanely. Good God. Greg Noblin, connect. Exactly, dude. Straight up exactly, dude. There it is. It exceeded the 1414 for a second. It's breaking it. It's pulling back. It's right there, dude. You can see the battle going on right now. At this fib node, if you break this and you can hold to any extent, 16.5 cents is the golden mean ratio. Good God. And today is why we don't have fireworks up, because of these moves. They would just be getting all up in the way. All right. But we can throw the moon on. We can throw the disco moon. There it is for y'all. Oh my God. Yep, still exceeding the 1618, or sorry, the 1414 right now. Overbought 88 on the RSI. Getting real hot. I mean, very overbought, of course. So you're very overbought at a 1414 fib extension, dude. Starting to pull back now. Go figure. Congrats, J-Hands. Congrats. Yes, Ethereum 250. If you haven't seen my Litecoin video, go check it out, because clearly people in here have not seen my Litecoin video. Love it though. Connect. All right, yeah, pulling back 1414. Go figure. Run back up, pull back, whatever. Time for this thing to really. I mean, dude, what are you doing, XLM? You're just going straight up. No regard for any human life. Please don't. I know you're kidding, right? Being controlled by someone on MS Paint, dude. What you got? You love my charts. You'd love to know what they are. What does that even mean, dude? They are charts. That's it. God. Oh, it's so much obliteration too, dude. God. Wear the hat, man. Oh. Hold on a sec. I'll be right back. Getting this freaking hat, man. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, y'all are ridiculous. All these new people are gonna be like, this guy's crazy. It's like, it's just something we do. We used to do it on milestones, but then it turned out to be stupid on milestones. And then like, we just made it where if the tip jar fills up, then I wear a different hat. Okay, that's it. So, you know. Don't worry about it, okay? There it is. Oh, it looks so weird with a collared shirt on, dude. Okay. I've never worn that Moonboy hat with a collared shirt on, okay? So, whatever, man. What's going on with it, dude? Alright, so again, at the 1414, hitting it. Ethereum US dollars exceeding $251. Oh my god. Let's go to it real quick.
XLM's main trading pair is against BTC, so you charted against BTC. The 382 was the target. Sold on the 382, 1900 saw it, and that's it. Easy. Always chart against the currency it is mostly traded against.
Alright, Hank, man. Thanks for the 382, man. Congratulations on your gains, dude. So Confluence at a 382 from your fib node to... I'm sure you could probably, on that pair, do fib extensions and do the same thing, right? Is that true, Drew, man? Alright, look at this. Ethereum, dude. Highest highs. Up almost 2%. Bitcoin doing nothing still. It's kind of showing some green, 82.29, but that's nothing, dude, alright? Ethereum's really still in the show with XLM, man. It's great. XRP... XRP is still at the 46 cents right now, so we're okay there. But here you go, man. Session highs on Ethereum, soon approaching 254. If you break that, 260 is the 23% retrace. Extremely important fib node. All right, that's your all-time high. Your all-time high to December 15, 2018 low, giving us validity that is a major swing low now. Okay, so that's it. Here you go, dude. Still making higher highs. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful.
Hyperwave guy who said BTC to 1K just put out a video explaining why he told his clients to put 20% of portfolio back into BTC. The FOMO is real.
But when? Like today? Like he's saying like, hey, today everyone, we know, hey, I know Bitcoin's at 8,500, but 20% of your portfolio into Bitcoin at a resistance at 8,500. Is that what he said? Or like, what would be the entry, David R, for that? Thanks, man, for the threes, dude. Good to see you again, dude. Forgive me in my that moon boyness, but this is just what happens when the tip jar fills up. Astronaut, perfect. Yeah, it's kind of appropriate. You know, this is probably one of the first times I think in the history of this show it's been appropriate to be wearing this Moonboy helmet today, right? Because this has never made sense, dude. I'm actually gonna send this to the real vet Moonboy. Okay, a picture, and be like, dude, it's actually appropriate. And point at the camera and be like, what's up? Alright, dude, I'm doing that. Okay, give me a sec to type this. Gosh dang it. I got this. Okay, we're good. The Raven has been sent, or the radio frequency has been sent. Okay, whatever. Just depends on what hat. Okay. You said 20% 4 days ago. Oh yeah? VeChain doing things. That's right.
VeChain doing things.
As well as others. Ethereum doing things. Tron Connect is up almost 5% on the day. Nice moves coming there. 88 of the US dollar, up 3.4%. We have things moving, man. Not just Ethereum and Bitcoin showing a little life, but just relaxing, man. Relaxing right at that overhead resistance, okay? Yeah, one giant step for mankind, one giant step for Ethereum. I don't think that's how it goes, dude, but something like that, yeah. I think that's what he said, isn't it? Yeah, they call that guy the Hyperwave guy. Captain Crypto, for sure. We got calls, people getting high, playing space in the street. You know anything about that? Yeah, Maybe. All right, we're exceeding 254. Are you kidding? 260. I can't believe it, man. 260, dude. Here it is, really. It's that with this wick. Look left, all right? All right, so I plotted these on the daily. There's this wick right there. Okay, 255. That's it, man. That's it. There's a candle low close. 259. There's the wick there. Screw that. It's just not going to be that strong, but I mean, it is there. So it is to be noted. 259, 260. But remember, breaking this for real, I mean, 300's the next real resistance, okay? I can't believe it, man. Straight line up, dude. So bullish right now. All right, Bitcoin 82.41. Okay, starting to break that line again. The first line of the zone, the overhead resistance zone, we call it. Okay, so showing a little life on Bitcoin too. This little red doji we had on the 4 hour. Hey, we could be bullishly engulfing, man. Wonder what that would manifest into if it held. Still 3 hours 38 minutes left till the 4 hour close. All right, so. Drew T, Ethereum, man. Thanks for $2 super chat, man. Thanks, dude. All these XRPs in the jar, dude. Oh my god. Can't land on the moon if it doesn't reel. Exactly, dude. I was thinking the same thing, dude. If it doesn't reel. What's the dominance? We'll check it out, man. Good question. Probably down. I think it's probably down. Like it hit that measured move somehow. And it then sold off and never. I didn't see it go any higher. I don't think it's any higher. Oh my good dude, this is how we know. All right, does technical analysis work, dude? On this, look at y'all. You know for a fact if you watch my programming, this stream, you know. I don't touch that, dude. I didn't touch this. We plotted it before we even broke out on both sides. Look what we did. We literally touched it, and what happened as soon as we effing touched it, it was gone, dude. We have dumped, okay? This just means that, obviously, altcoins are taking back some share of this market. You're at 58.9% Bitcoin market dominance, all right? And you hit a high of 63% Bitcoin market cap dominance at one time, just couple days ago. All right, so there you have it, man. There you freaking have it. Also, what weird enough, downslipping resistance, yep. Rejected it. That's crazy, man. So does TA work here? We didn't really know. We don't know. And hey, maybe we're just completely lucky here, or it's coincidental, but dang, dude, you can't make that. That's like perfect, dude. Wow. Anyway, there's your dominance, man. That was for you. Was that Toy Channel that asked? This week. Digging it, man. $254.33. Up 2.5% today. Bitcoin 82.62 session highs. Even though the session hasn't been going on that long, it still is. Okay, technically. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's do something, man. Eventually that volatility is going to pick up. Volume's going to come in. We're going to start seeing some battling. All right. But this is a fantastic, man. Fantastic development on Ethereum, XLM, Ripple, you name an altcoin. Chances are it's moving up tremendously in value. Past couple of days. Gotta love it. Thanks, Tag and Zerps. Random S. Kiki, yes, indeed. Going, I don't know, man. What? So going back to XLM real quick. Yep. Hey, not going any higher than the 1414 fib extension right now on the US dollar pair. All right. So remember that high to low to get targets. If you exceed the 100% retrace, 127%, 141% retrace, 161.8% retrace, pull them back. It's where areas where it does happen. Okay. Am I going to stream all night, Triz? Oh, I'm sure you are. I don't know if I am, though. But go figure, man. It's like anytime I go live, these past like 5-6 days, it's just been like, well, all of a sudden explosions just start happening. Like, oh my god, price action. What's up, Papa Nice, Shelly? Yep. When the jar fills up, I have to wear a hat, and the community votes on what I wear of the three. Okay, so that is why I'm wearing this Vet Moon Boy hat. It is a community camaraderie thing. Okay, that's it. I'm not an actual astronaut. Maybe I am. Maybe. Congratulations, Corey R, on your gains, dude. Always awesome to hear. And thanks for the 800 people tuned in right now. The 567 likes. Really appreciate that. You think we can get 600 likes just for the sake of this market condition that is extremely bullish right now?
I literally started crying when you put the Moon Boy hat on. Wife had to check on me to see what the hell was happening. You're a legend, mate.
Thanks, Mike W, man. Well, there you go, dude.
Is that a joint?
BTC is going to benefit from all these alt pumps, emo. It hasn't sacrificed much dominance in the last week after the total crypto imp cap jumped 50 billion in less than 5 days, 1/3 of the total market cap. And it's consolidating after the parabolic move.
Well, Alvarez, man, thanks for the 420. If that's the case, man, see you at 10K. Remember the quote when I was doing the gas station IRL stream? See you at 10K. I don't even know why I said that. It happened. So, all right, dude, we'll put your words to the test. He thinks that all this altcoin pumpage is going to be good for Bitcoin. We'll find out, man. What is the market cap at right now? It has to have grown more, right? Titty coin, oh my god. 257 billion. We're getting closer and closer to that 266 billion market cap, the 50% retrace on the total market cap. That's great, man. We keep going. XLM keeps getting scared of the 1414. All right. ADA's up. Where is it up? All right, it's exceeded the 886. Excuse me. ADA, see you at 9.976 cents, probably 10 cents. The 100% retrace is upon you. It looms. There is no more fib node. You've exceeded the deepest one. So it's coming, man. It's coming. Can you believe it, man? Beauty across these markets. Bitcoin, 82.62. Up $59 today, 0.72%. On a Wednesday, man. All right. That's right, Julia. I'm not actually an astronaut. Okay, this is not astronaut advice. This is not Moonboy advice. Now you have to go back and see that guy at 10K, but go as a Moonboy and tell him Vikings sent you from the future. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. That would be so effing funny. But Crypto Stang, I don't know his shift. I don't know when he works, right? But I might just keep going in there. And if I see him, I'll be like, okay, I'll go back out of my car and go live and put the Vet Moonboy hat on. And then we have the discussion. I said, I told you we'd see you at 10K, man. I told you. And at that time, we were like 7,500, 7,400, something like that. Brad Turner, extreme amounts of resistance on Ravencoin to the US dollar, hitting that critical downslipping resistance, the top trend line of the descending broadening wedge. And that's what I think about it. We've analyzed it today. Dude, Streamlabs to accept Tittycoin. Yeah, right. Said no Streamlabs ever in the history of any universe or multiverse. If we're talking about string theory, okay. That's right. VeChain doing things. My God. Let's go to Vet. Up 5% on the day. Let's go, baby. The 1272's upon us. Come on. Let's go. All right, we'll see at 85.47% of 1 cent of 1272. But what are we really looking for, man? What are we really looking for in time? 94% of 1 cent. And it could take time, but it could just go straight up, man. But we know. We've been talking about this for months. Yes, freaking months on VeChain. Momo shift. We've had trade setups that have played out brilliantly on this thing. And now look what's happened. Impulse up, down slipping consolidation, double bottom, falling wedge, breakout. And you're getting closer and closer to that area that is common for a retrace before reversing your price action. And we would reverse our price action at one of these fib nodes. Dude, this is intense, man. Super, super intense. Screenshot or take a picture of this, send it to that Moonboy. Maybe, if my phone lets me. We don't have the technology. Okay. Bitcoin near session high is 82.79 right now. $75 on the day. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, this is great, dude. I mean, this is session highs on VeChain, session highs on Bitcoin, near session highs on Ethereum. XLM's back again. Well, you know, it's not near. It's like it hit the 144, pulled back some, right? So that's it. Can we get another one? Yeah, dude. We're gonna get another VeChain doing things.
Is that a join?
Also, right? So design function. Chris Touch, hello. Guy says Ethereum 260, mother of God. 260 is the 2, 3, 6 fib node, man. Oh my God! But how can we get our eyes off this one? It's up 7% right now. This crypto market's lost its effing mind. And Bitcoin is at 82.89. It's up over a percent right now. Okay. We're going split screen. Yes. We're going to have altcoins on one side and Bitcoin on the other. Dude, it's party time, man. Party is going on. Okay, so altcoin's going to stay on the left and maybe Bitcoin would stay on the right. Oh my God. Alright, so what I'm talking about right here, man. We're inching on up. Inching on up, Bitcoin. Let's go. You know what's good for you? You'll break 83.50, and once you break 83.50, that'll be the highest high we've made of 2019. Completely. And then if you can break 8,500, dude, well, Vegeta is just around the corner. Yes. All right, so Bitcoin on the right. It's staying on the right, okay? It's not going to move. VeChain doing things. Is daily time scale unfreaking real. Going 4 hour. Again, nearing that 1272 fib extension. It's beautiful, man. It's unreal. Okay, excellent. Pulling back a little bit. Yeah, decent amount. Some things are pulling back, right? But everything got back in the green now. All right, Bitcoin pulled back. Go figure. Joe, I'm glad you like it, man. Dude, I'm not doing fireworks with a split screen and a techno moon. Okay, no way. Can you feel the FOMO? Dude, you reprogram. Once you learn all this stuff, you reprogram your FOMO feeling. That FOMO feeling comes when you see like crazy, like bullish divergence on both oscillators on daily 4 hour time scales with patterns and fib nodes and all that stuff, man. So, no, but I'm sure I can kind of feel like that there might be that feeling of euphoria across the market. Okay. Well, I thought on Coinbase, Bobby, was like 14.20 or something like that. Okay. You got me on Apple TV, your laptop, and iPhone. Dang, dude, thanks for the, multimedia platform thing. I don't even know what that is. There you go. Ed McCracken says, up 40% in the last 7 days. Feels like 2017 again. Sure thing, soul crashing, man. It's right here. The double bottom, be danged. Exceeding the measured move of that pattern and running on up to near a 1272 fib extension. But the real target in time, and it will take time, is the 382, the major 382, at 94% of 1 cent, man. All right. So there you go. Okay, Art of JR says he's got his short order filled at 259. Best of luck, man. All right. Big pullback on VeChain. Whoa, big pullback right there. Okay. XLM's continuing to pull back too from that 1414 fib extension. and Bitcoin really just pulling back. Dude, it's resistance, man. We can't break it. It's a wick, all right? A wick back from 2018, 82.82. Just can't break it. Thanks, Mr. Patel. VJ Patel, we got Bitcoin on the right, VChain on the left. And then we can just cycle through other altcoins while Bitcoin stays up. Stellar. Again. Right. You hit that 1414 fib extension, and now you're already back to the 1272. As to be expected, man. These runs like this don't last. And when it pulls back, it can be violent. As violent as it was on the way up. Alright? Yeah, we know our way to Mars. We've been there many a times. No kappas, okay? In bearish conditions, too. But now we're in bullish conditions, so it's much easier to get to Mars, alright? So crazy, man. You know, still at 257 billion market cap, total market cap, right, for cryptocurrency. And just going back to that total market cap, right? Okay, from that major discernible swing high to low, 50% retrace, 266 billion. We got until Saturday to get there for the vote that we did. All right, we exceeded the 382, exceeded overhead resistance, and there's not really any resistance, real resistance left until you get up to like that 288 billion market cap. But I mean, there's a candle high close right here at 272, but 266 is the 50%, and we're just getting so freaking close to it. Okay, it's beautiful. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub, if you like all this altcoin insanity. Okay. Thank y'all for all the likes, the loves, the subs, the support. Okay. It's been truly an incredible journey with all of you. Alright. So we're at 8629 subs. We're still beating the crap out of Bitcoin right now, aren't we? 9K subs by end of day. Brad, I don't think so, man. I don't think so at all.
Pish. How does the moon look from up there, Mitch? Pish. Bish.
It's looking quite well, man. Looking quite well. But I can see Mars too, man. And we might need to run there. But the only way we can get there is by breaking 8,500. Really, it's breaking 8,300 to get to 8,500. So then we could break that and run to 9,000. But again, dude, it's just got to give it time, man. Time is what we need. Okay. And Bitcoin is just getting squeezed between an upsloping support and an overhead resistance. Okay, so the breaking point's coming, man. In the next 12, 16 hours, dude. Bitcoin's going to decide whether it wants to break this over resistance zone or break the upsloping support. Okay. So bear coffee, man. So cloud tokenist, man. What happened? You're gonna say what? 82.65 on Bitcoin right now. Again, dude, you have to break 8,300. It's really 8,350. 8,350, yeah. Okay. I'll just add an alert right there. Okay, so pulling back, I'll get off the split screen. You know, it was almost like, okay, tornado warning, man. All right, we're getting to the crazy coverage section, but no need. We're good. All right. Timothy Janika says, that hat is legit. Laughing my butt off. Thank you, dude, for the $2 super chat. Much love, dude. All right. Okay. Going to ADA. ADA still being Kangs, showing lots of strength, still run wants that 100% retrace, dude, at 90 or 9.978 cents. Okay. Very strong. Right now. Very good wand, man. I guess, right? So, Bobby. Yeah, womp, dude. Give me a break. Dude, I'm starting to get really hungry, man. I don't know. Jed Martian. The 382 is like 47.9 cents, I believe. We were so freaking close to it. It's in the golden zone. 50 cents is in the golden zone. Psychological rounded number. It seems possible if you can break the resistance you're at right now on XRP. But again, we're below 46. We're at 45.9 cents now. So these things have gone really high, really fast, man. Starting like to lose my focus since I've been live. I mean, I've been live for 2 hours and 41 minutes, chat. All right, what do you want? We're an extended coverage of this market right now for you. All right. So anything over 2 hours is like overtime, and then 4 hours is marathon. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to a marathon, dude. I'm starting to get really hungry. Okay. You know, reset so I can show up with no Devin Boy hat on. Okay. Of course that was legit, Mike W. It wouldn't be there if it wasn't legit, dude. It's called Tip Wars. Episode 142, if you want to go see it, Mike W. See if it's legit yourself. It's in my archives on my YouTube channel. What's up, Alex McKeon? At a daily high on Bitcoin, 82.90. Yup, right around it anyway. 83.05 was the high, it looked like. So, up over % still. And again, if the candle closed right now, it'd be bullish engulfing. So you're trying to bullishly engulf the previous candle, which was a wick, rejecting that overhead resistance zone. Okay. Hunger Connect, exactly, Mr. Scary. You know me, dude. You know me. You get me. Why you not show us ethos? Because ethos sucks, dude. That's why. You want to talk in caps and act like I'm not looking at ethos? I'm going to talk crap about your coin. Your S coin, okay? Your beanie baby. No one cares. TV trading views now extra time? What are you talking about? Mid-trade TV. Oh, okay, got you, dude. Win marathon, bro? It would be like an hour and 15 minutes or something, I guess, if I stayed on that long. What's up, Danny's Vids? Thanks, man. Still going, 9.7 cents on 88. Come on, dude. Let's go. Yeah, Bitcoin is... Dang, dude, it's so close to that session high. It's trying. It wants to break. I mean, it wants to hit 8,300. It's getting really scared right at it, isn't it? Bitcoin. I mean, dude, how am I supposed to, like, leave when Bitcoin's making session highs at 8,300? Okay. It's so tough, dude. Ethereum's not stopping, J. Lewis, man. Ethereum going nuts. All right, dude. This is what I'm talking about. So, what do you want me to do, man? Like, people are saying, "Oh my God, it's too hard to see." All right, we can just try to start doing some magic with the other screen. It's still going, kind of. I mean, it is. Yeah. All right, here we go. This is the daily on Ethereum. Beautiful, dude. This is it. The 236 has been hit. Can you believe it, man? This is like Bitcoin's 7,000 or whatever. Bitcoin had its own thing, its own 23% retrace. Well, Hussein, man, what's up, dude? Thanks for the 257. He says, "I'm back, Kang Kang." Thought it was Kang Gang. Thanks, dude, for the super chat. Appreciate it, man. And Nawab, man, do you see this? Do you freaking see it? Exceeding overhead resistance. Do you get, man, what's happening right now? There's no overhead resistance. You've broken them all. The next overhead resistance is at $296, chat. There's one scrubby resistance, I guess, at 270, but the major one, 295, 296, and then the wicks are like 300, okay? But the 236 should be regarded. Let's see how we respond to it. If we pull back here and holds around it, or if we just break it. If you just break it, man, I don't know what to tell you. All right, this is insanity. Insanity on Ethereum daily, so we can actually see. Look, that's what I'm talking about. From your only discernible major swing high from before, from May 5th of 2018, right? High to low. We have just now finally hit a 23% retrace. Okay? And this is, I did the freaking video on Ethereum, man. The static video talking about doing this exact same analysis. Where we could run if we finally hit that, okay? If we can break the shallowest retrace, your targets for the golden zone, meaning the most common scrubby retraces between $370 and $549. This is the golden retrace, $549. Okay, remember Bitcoin's is $13,500. There, it's golden retrace. All right, and this isn't even fibbing from all-time highs, man. That's what's crazy. All right, but we know this is completely appropriate to fib here because there's no swing high until this one. All right, so we're using that one. Okay, that's great, dude. And yeah, quite fantastic, dude. And this is beautiful. Okay, dude, so we could very well, since we've broken resistances, unless we just start pulling back miserably, this is very, very, we could be going 260, man. There's nothing there, man. There's a wick. There's a scrub wick that. And a candle low close at 269, 270. So like 270 seems like the next place. That's the next run. So you go 261, 270. Then you stall there for a little bit. Then maybe 278, 280. But do the next one. It's not even really major. It's just scrubby. A scrubby over resistance at $300. Okay. So whatever, dude. Heavy breathing everywhere, dude. I know, right? Good God. Here we go, man. Look at this. Look at ADA. Let's go back. Go back to ADA. It's at session highs itself. 9.8 cents. Approaching that 100% retrace, dude. And we have our target set up in case we break it, okay? Way up at 11 cents. But that's a big if, man. 100% retraces are not easy to break. But here we are, covering it live for you. 2 hours and 47 minutes. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the living crap out of this price action of these altcoins, this crypto market, man. Let's do it, man. Not for me, but for crypto. All right. Thanks for the 811 people tuned in. All right. Y'all are amazing. Jeez, man. Yeah, 82, 85. Still can't get that 8,300, can you? You're still struggling right at it. Come on, Bitcoin. Wake up, man. Wake the heck up. Okay, that's ADA. And then we got a XLM that's had a nice pullback from its highest high of 15.683 cents. Currently sitting at 14.937 cents. All right. We hit that 1414 fib extension from our high to low. Big pullback. All right. Hey, GF Peterson. What's up, man? Thanks, dude. Very cool. Oh, buddy. Oh, Neo. Exceeding expectations. Oh my God. Exceeding the 886. 100% retrace on Neo. Where's Mr. Demon when you need him? Is at 30 or 1382. Let's go. Hit the 100%, man. Go. Market is tearing the roof off, chat. I hope you understand this. Across this market. Fireworks everywhere, dude. Okay. I got a spacesuit on, Visual Entity. Yeah, well, when the tip jar fills up, for anyone who doesn't know, does not be being crazy. When the tip jar fills up, I have 3 different like alternate personalities, whatever, for stream, and it's like Vet Moon Boy, Viking, and Wizard. And so it's like the audience, the viewers get to vote on what hat I wear when the jar fills up for fun and camaraderie, and they all picked. What did they pick, man? Oh my God, Bitcoin, let's go! Oh my God! We're going back to Bitcoin, man. Sorry, dude. We love you. Neo also. Let's go. Highest highs of the day. Just bouncing up to 83.63. Okay, y'all. This is what dreams and memes are made of. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, we're now matching 80. Look, we just made the highest highs. Yes, we're exceeding yesterday's high. We did anyway, with a wick, temporarily. So we have made, I know we're pulling back, but we have made the highest high now since 2015. Or, sorry, December 15th, 2018. From that 3150 low. 3150 low. Just hit 8360 something. Unreal. Can't tell me there's not opportunity in this market. You can't tell me there's not opportunity in a downtrend either, because bearish patterns were so stupidly reliable. Just like in this market, bullish patterns gonna be reliable, man. All right. Bitcoin exploding, but only to pull back, right? Getting a lot of sell orders up here, it seems, right? Selling pressure is there. But again, this is disappointing, right? 61% of the audience voted for Vet Moonboy over the other ones. I think they got tired of it. Sorry. Great news, man. Great news breaking into the deeper part of the zone. Remember the top. The top of the overhead resistance zone is between 84.85 and 8,500. So, say we break this, you're not out of the woods. You're not even close to being out of the woods. You got to deal with 8,400 and 8,500, okay? That's it. I don't know why it's lagging, Justin. Normally, like, I see it, but I normally just wait now, because I'll address it before it pops on screen. There we go. See?
I hear Mars is nice this time of year.
Oh, yes, it is, man. Oh, my goodness, man. It's beautiful, dude. Oh. The mountainous views. What's the name? It's the largest volcano in the solar system. What's it called again? It's like Volantis or something crazy. Vulcan or... It is... Oh, Olympus Mons. Okay, y'all become learned. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano on Mars, and it's the largest volcano in the solar system, located in the Tharsis region of the planet, along with 3 other large volcanoes. Olympus Mons measures an incredible 27 kilometers in height, and is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. As Bitcoin pumps, I think it's quite relevant to talk about Olympus Mons. We are experiencing our Olympus Mons today for crypto. For all of crypto. Total crypto, not just Bitcoin. Would you agree with me, chat? Yes, no, maybe so. Highest high of the day, 83.67 right there. You just touched it, man. I saw you. You can't hide from me, Bitcoin. All right. 83.75. 83.91 is about to get touched, which is a candle high close back from 2018. Good God. All right. Beautiful. Become learned or get destroyed. That's it. There's no options. No other options anyway. Sorry. See, Titty Coin's still up, it looks like. Kappa. Yeah, still 2 cents. Who cares? All right, so pulling back, whatever. Doing things that you got to do, man. It's just taking its time, but eventually, man, you're going to get there. 8,500 is the top of the overhead resistance zone. All right. Olympus Mons, Kang Logan. Yes! Someone make a meme of that, dude. I'm going to be that moon boy on Olympus Mons on Mars, and it's going to be spelled Mons. M-A-H-N. Beautiful. Too much wit, Kang Logan, for your own good, all right? Share the wealth. Good God. God. Sorry, man. Just getting a little fatigued despite all this craziness, all right? What Dragon Ball Z boss is this? Psh, psh. Dude, you haven't even seen him yet. He's like the final one, man. They said they're wrapping another. They're not even making another Dragon Ball after this, okay? Because this boss is so big. You see Bitcoin's catching up to my sub count today? Dude, it is. Oh my God, man. If it hits 8,500, dude, I'm going to be real scared, man. Because if it breaks 8,500, I've got no chance at this rate. Look, if you break 8,500, you're going to 9,000, right? Because there's no resistance above us. So if I'm sitting at 86.33 subs, dude, I'm screwed. I'm straight up screwed if it breaks that. So I do feel safe for now. There's a wall, okay, protecting me from the White Walkers. Kappa. All right. What's up, Hookah Fish? Just got in. Glad to be here. Good to see you, dude. We're glad you're here too, man. All right. Ethereum's dumping. I mean, dude, dumping. You must be looking at the 1 minute chart or something. From 266 to 263. $3, really? After, you know, from yesterday you were 216, now you're 263. How is that dumping, dude? It's just pulling back a little bit. All right. Litecoin's pumping, man. Oh my god. Oh, thanks, Keith, man. How can you be that much tougher than Jiren? Bet, bro. Oh, dude. You just have no idea, man. You don't know the power of Olympus Mons. 83.73. We're approaching the session high again. Here it comes, man. Let's go, baby. No selling pressure up here, really. Do you see any selling pressure? I don't see it. I see us pushing up and barely pulling back. Sellers are scared right now? Is that what's going on, dude? Well, Juan Aeon, check out my video I did, dude. Check out the title of the video I did. You don't even have to watch the video when you ask me that question. All right. So, Truth Serum. I understand it's Truth Serum, but it's Truth's Serum. What's the difference, dude? All right. Altcoins are definitely still in the green. Like, Tron's up 6% plus, Zcash up 2.38%, VeChain up still 5%, man. ADA is up almost 4% with XLM. They're neck and neck right now on percentage gains for the day. Send me to Olympus Mons! Sharuba, yes, might. Do it. Oh, is that true, JF Airplane? After getting destroyed, it's now up. Oh my god. Sorry to hear that, Brian S., man. We should have been with us long ago. You know, I've been here doing the identical stuff to what I'm doing today for 15 months. Pretty much 2 times a day. Alright, it's just now people are coming back to the market. I was like, dang, dude. Good to see y'all. Nothing's changed much for us, I guess, besides percentage price or percentage in Bitcoin value and other altcoin values. It's nice, man. Real nice. Jordan Breeze, I'm not sure, man. I'm just not sure. Going back to Ethereum real quick, because Bitcoin's, you know, it's up there, but it's not a session. As you can see, someone literally said, Ethereum's dumping! That's a dump, man. The daily time scale, I get it, man, but still, like, there's nothing wrong with looking at a daily time scale when your price action's so absurd like this, okay? It gives you perspective, and I get to see, like, crazy fib nodes, alright? Lighting the night with these green candles. Seems as though it's time to change from this crazy human light Very good. Nah, perfect, man. The green lighting's perfect. What's more green, dude? I think that's green enough, I guess, right? There. Alright, alien green. 83.45 on Bitcoin. And going back to Ethereum, dude. Ethereum, dude, is 264.18. It's climbing back up there, that 266 high that we saw. Highest high we've made since when, dude? It's been since September of 2018 we've seen these prices, chat. If you don't think that's significant, get out of here. Okay. Crazy world, man. 4% fast drop on VET. Oh my god, Miss Kantama, we are screwed. But when you run up like that, you do pull back. I mean, it's going to happen, and then you can run back up, climb back up like Ethereum, right? Well, we're trying to see if Bitcoin's going to breeze. It's not breezing so far, is it? Asia's not asleep anymore. Toy Channel, they're like waking up. This is like Asia right here. Asia's doing this stuff. So, like, for instance, Alexa, what time is it in Seoul, South Korea?
In Seoul, it's 9:59 a.m.
So how can you say Asia's still asleep? That is the most concentrated area of crypto trading in the world. South Korea. Okay. So no, it is like 10 a.m. They're all jacked up on coffee. They ate their food, their breakfast. They're working, man. This is like productivity hours trading desk, dude. All right. You can't tell me age is not awake. All right. Anyway, pulling back on Ethereum. Bitcoin's pulling back some too, man. Really struggling. To be expected though, right? You're at a crazy overhead resistance zone, man. Not going to be easy. So, 83.36, dude. Not 83.19. Drama llama. All right. Oh my god, a yearly bullish engulfing candle. Canal, well, you could call up Carlos Matos, man. All right. I think he had the same issue. Oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean to activate your Alexias. Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, BCH. Well, it already broke out, but I'm sure moving up to the upside more, whatever. Okay. Okay, so yeah, with Bitcoin Cash, yeah, man. Boom. You're there. You've done it, man. Fantastical, man. Fantastical. So, yeah, man, 1618 is at $430.75. So there is a chance, yeah, we could run all the way up to that. Look where we are, man. We're breaking this resistance. We're right at that candle close, and we're above it right now. This is insane, man. So you're gonna have a little bit more resistance, like 428 to 430 with the 1618 and horizontal line resistance, but that's about it, man. I mean, you filled the gap, dude. Wow, you filled it, dude. Fantastical, man. Very cool, dude. Okay, Bitcoin Cash doing things with Bitcoin. Doing things. Can you hear me? Is this real life? Morgan Freegan, yes, this is certainly real life. We've just been in the real world for too long, right? Morgan, we're not just joining now. We experienced the bear run, the bear trend together, right? Many months, dude. Well, over many months, over a year. Bitcoin, highest high of the day, 83.70, 83.85, 83.88. We're hitting the candle high close. There's only one after this, after 83.91. See, we're pulling back right there. It's like pinpoint accurate. All right, we break that. 84.86 is the top of the overhead resistance zone. All right. So pulling back just a little bit, very strong price action developing right now. Something that's kind of concerning, but again, all right. People are not going to take heed of this. Did we not talk about the scenario where we could bounce here, we bullishly engulf, we run up to 8,500, then sell off because look, triple MACD, bearish divergence. You realize right now we're making higher highs than our previous highs, and we have negative momentum right now, right? So keep that in mind. It's very real. So below 83.85, yep, we hit that right at it, man. Right at that candle high close. But still, it's fine, man. Not getting any kind of selling pressure, really. Dude, that's pathetic. If that was it, this ain't gonna break, man. They're gonna break to the wick. Okay, so. What's up, Cisco Kid? Dude, what does that mean, Cisco Kid? Does that mean you like eating Cisco, or are you like a poster boy for Cisco the company? Or is that Crisco? I don't know, dude. I don't know. Okay, so again, dude, you break this 83.91, gonna be a quick journey to 84.85, 84.86. Very cool. Morgan Freegan says, yes, it's been an honor to ride the bear market out with you, Mitch Ray. What's up, brother? It has been a heck of a ride, man. It really has. And just, what does negative momentum mean for right now? Well, Triz, when you're making higher highs, you want to be making higher levels of positive momentum. It only makes sense naturally, right? Positive momentum, positive price action, right? But then you start getting out of whack, right? Where you make a peak, right, you make a high, you sell off, you run again, you make a higher high, lower levels of positive momentum. Okay, sell off, you hit a support, A critical support that had to hold. If you didn't hold this, you're going down $4 more. All right, easy. Because, dude, we're in territory where it's like big ups and downs every way because there's very little support resistance where we are now. Like, you're just getting to that point. So this held. I can't believe it, but bullishly engulfed. And from the bullishly engulfing candle, we have manifested into much higher prices, higher highs than this previous high, and we don't have any positive momentum. On the RSI even. You're not even overbought. So we could hit 8,500 and show at 8,500 triple MACD, triple RSI bearish divergence. And that could be what sets the tone for the selling. But it's the 4 hour. And we know bearish condition and bullish conditions, bearish stuff is not as reliable, but dang, dude, triple MACD, triple RSI, bearish divergence at the very top of an overhead resistance is a pretty decent argument. No one's gonna, contest that, right? Just saying. Ethereum's melting face. If Bitcoin Cash 419 near session highs. We're going, dude. I'm just trying to fluctuate through this market. 265.52, not at its highest highs of the day yet, but slowly creeping on up. And again, Bitcoin just hitting that 83.91 mark for good reason. Pulling back just a little, but so strong. Very little pullback, which is a good sign. All right. Daily, here it is. Let me show you exactly what this 83.91 is, all right? 83.91. Do you see it, ladies and gentlemen? The tweezer double top before getting destroyed. We're trying to break it, but we're rejecting it for now. But if you can break it, again, quick move up to 8,500. Like, no breaks. But then here, big question mark. How will you respond at the top of a resistance? Unreal, man. Maybe we can just watch it like this. You can see the line where Bitcoin's price is. I know it's not as exciting as seeing the candle. I know. All right, we're going back. Okay, everything makes sense now. Y'all get it, man? Are we cool now? Thanks, B-Trail. Started at the bottom, now we here. Yeah, it's an act. Hey, remember we always made the inverse Drake song joke? No more inverse Drake song jokes unless you're talking about Bitcoin pairs. US dollar pairs, including Bitcoin. Started from the bottom, now we here. Technically started from 33.43, now we here. Community. Yeah. Pigs get slaughtered, Captain Crypto, exactly. Market cap 261. Oh my god, yeah, 266 is the 50% retrace from a major discernible swing high to low on the total market cap. So 266 was the big question, the trivia. Well, it wasn't really trivia, it was just like a poll. Like, what do you think, audience? Can we hit $266 billion market cap by Saturday? And I think, again, 69% of the viewers said yes, we can and will. And so we're working on it. Not far off at all now. Destin 1 1981 just found this channel today. Well, are you enjoying it, Destin 1? Because that's like kind of like Dwight Schrute. It is your birthday. Just found this channel today. Give me some feedback, man. Don't take this with a grain of salt. Okay, when the tip jar fills up, it's a community camaraderie thing where I put on one of my hats. Okay, so don't be freaked out. Okay. Okay, sweet. Thanks for the feedback, Destin1981. What is this, Thomas Thrill? Alright, pulling back on Bitcoin. Thomas, once you said that, dude, Bitcoin didn't take kindly to this feels like Journey Scarab album cover taking off. Right? But maybe, just maybe, we can rally again. Okay, I don't know. We're just keeping our eye on it. Look, I guess we can go back to ADA. Alright, still going, dude. Still going. It's beautiful. Near the 100% retrace, exceeding all fib nodes. And we're set up for if we break the 100, we know where we could go, but that's a big if, man. Big, big if. This is a stupendous run you've had today. Not just on ADA. How about XLM 1414 fib extension? 15.5 cents. How about ONT to USD? How about this, baby? How about a nice sexual double bottom breakout measure move exceeding the 886 and very, very close to that 100% retrace from your high to low. Oh my god, man. We're floating in outer space. Someone turn up the music. The space station, man. Not bad, dude. I think this artist is from the Andromeda Galaxy or something. Okay. It was wonderful, man. Wonderful. Dash Connect. Look what Dash Connect has done. It's hitting. Oh, it's near a 1618 fib extension, man. Multiple ways to interpret this. Okay, down sloping structure or inverse head and shoulders, slanted inverse head and shoulders, broken measure move hit and doubled. Now you've doubled your measure move. Whoops. All right. This is looking across the market. Okay, it's okay, man. We got our eye on Bitcoin. It's gonna be fine. Adding an alert right above 8400. So we hear the beep. We know we're breaking that candle high close resistance. Okay. What's up, BG man? Thanks for the $2 super chat. Kangs. Welcome. What's up, Tyler, man? Shh. Can't hear you over my radio. Space radio. Alright. Very cool. Alex Cobb, man. Kangs.
XRP to 50 cents tonight, caught NGZ.
Caught on Guz, hey. Whatever that means. Thanks, Cobbman the Kang, for the $10 super chat. The Monero in the jar. Goodness gracious. Hey, I think everyone's going to call you Benedict Arnold. Hey, breaking news. Alex Cobb tipped a Monero emoji ball. Betrayal at its finest. Cap up. Thanks, Alex Cobb, man. Really appreciate that. Dude, what about Dash Connect, man? Pretty lit. It's whole market, man. Speaking of, why not? XRP to USD. Exceeded the 1618. You've topped at 46.738 cents so far. It's one scrub resistance. Back from Christmas Eve when CZ said, hey, we will offer XRP trading pairs and one green candle, and then it was all over. Merry effing Christmas. Bah humbug, says XRP. That's it. Okay, but that's the 4 hour, and then you got the daily, man. The daily, which, besides this one little scrub wick, 382, very close, right, Cobb, man? We were saying 48 cents or 47.9 cents to 59.9 cents or 6 cents, or, yeah, 60 cents, sorry. Dude, Robert Clark, man, thanks for the $7.44, dude. Thank you, dude. The 10 Canadian dollars, dude. Thank you all for the support, the likes, the loves, everything, man. All right. If you are enjoying this extended coverage, because I've been live now for 3 hours and 13 minutes, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We'll see how many likes we can get. You know, we actually hit a record of the 8-hour marathon stream I did on like Saturday or Sunday or Monday or something. I don't even remember anymore. We had 1,300 likes. All-time highs, man. 14,000 plus views on that stream. All-time highs. Like doubled it, man. Okay. This market, man. Okay, this is just it's like a dream, dude. Okay, so XRP to USD getting very close to the beginning of the golden zone. All right. But straight up, nothing organic about it. Just straight line up after breaking the downsloping structure you've been in for well over a year, 14 months. Dude, this thing has, been developing the channel at first, but been inside of it since I started creating content. Wow. It was like creating its first, dude, February 9th. That was like the first video I ever did or something, or stream, or anything. February 9th. So it created its first touch point, my first day ever creating content. That's crazy, dude. What? Lolly, do you hear that, man? It's a sign, dude. XRP Kangs or something. Lots of X's. I think those are Ripple Connects or XRPs. Yeah, dude. Lots of them. Go for the double top on subs, Margalot. How does one double top on subs? How does one double top on subs? That means I have to lose a tremendous amount of subs. But every time, you know, like it's like all-time highs every new sub, pretty much. So there's no oscillators, I don't think, on. I think really the sub count is based on the altcoins and Bitcoin's RSI. Is it diverging bearishly? Well, there you go, man. That's true. Well, Frankie, man, what's wrong with me getting fulfillment out of hanging out with y'all and helping people? What if I get a lot of fulfillment from it? Okay, I don't really ever do this much work, but like once this market took off, dude, it's like high demand for this coverage. So I'm doing this for y'all, the viewers, right? We did it, Lily, man. We did it. February 9th. Congratulations, Canal. Okay, where did I get the helmet? Andromeda Galaxy? Ever heard of it? Anyway, so Bitcoin's pulled back to 83.44. It's trying to, well, it's rallying back a little bit. Guess we can go back to it. But dude, the XRP, Alex Cobb, man, Kangs, dude, Kangs. And the wick is like, all right, man, we're using the wick because it's the high to low. It seems like it's working out for now. All right. But volatility is the kryptonite of Fibonacci. Remember that. Going back to Coinbase, the big cone. Nawab Hussein, man, what's up, dude? Yeah, we can look at Nia, sure. Man, really trying, isn't it? Really, really trying. I just don't know. How are you going to break it? This is the daily. How do you break this? I must break you. Positive momentum starting to teeter a little bit. Kind of getting a little toppy. Not so high anymore. Not making higher highs. I mean, unless you do something spectacular today, it is not making higher highs. It's about the same. Thanks, Chris Touch. But dang, dude, Neo, yeah. It is pulling back, right? Pulling back at the 88.6% retrace. Let me get the 4 hour. Sorry, I got other things plotted. All right. Oops, 6 hour. What the heck? My bad. All right, so targets acquired, exceeded them, of course, right? And Neo got as high as $13.46 with 100% retrace being at $13.81. So just 95% retrace. Uh-oh. Not good there. Lower high. You finally got an answer from me? Well, God forbid, dude. God forbid I can't see everyone's chat when there's 830 people watching, right? We are just hanging out Mark a lot, dude. Is that cool? Sorry, I'm itching, man. It's like this material with my beard, man. It's tough. Okay. Claudio, man, says, gosh dang, I hate how Super Chat. Why does it do that? It makes it to where it's $4.99. I don't get that, dude. Like, where if you're on mobile, you can't make it do $5. I don't know how to do it. It just goes automatically to $2.99, $3.99, $4.99, $5.99, $9.99, whatever. It's so stupid. But and that's something to do with the TTS variation, so it's annoying. Dang, dude.
Thanks for all the chart learning.
Well, thank you, Delab, man, for the golden mean ratio contribution, the 1618. This fell out of the jar. Dang. Beautiful. Thank you, man. And Claudio, he said, hey, Mitch, thanks for the stream. Love it. I sent $4.20 in Zcash through Streamlabs, but it never showed up. Yeah, they never updated their API. It's so stupid.
Thanks for the education during the bear market and through the present. 1618 for Dash Connect.
We got, that's the first, man, back-to-back golden mean ratios by pure coincidence. Never before been done. That's crazy, dude. See how important the 1618 fib extension is, y'all? It's that crazy. Thank you all. Incredible. Thank you. William. Rob R, man. Oh my god.
Don't know, man. BTC versus Midcoin. BTC only 300 behind you and on your tail. Bigger deal than PewDiePie versus T-Series. Kings.
It's coming, man, Rob Art. Dude, the thing is with it, like, I may be winning now, but when overhead
Good
resistance...
lunch, can you check out Zek?
Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah. Hold me, let me try to catch up real quick. Let me make sure I'm not off. Let me see. Zcash. Yes, Rocky. AJ Productions. Don't mind Bitcoin hovering to let alts fly a bit. Is that what it's doing, AJ Productions, man? Thank you, dude. Rob Clark, man. Oh my god, dude. Super chat train. Oh my god. He says thanks for the helmet. Well, thank you for watching the helmet, dude. Kings. All right. Oh yeah. We looked at this a little earlier, I think. Am I crazy? Yeah, dude. Exceeding 100% retrace. A lower low double bottom. What's up, AM Beats? Welcome, AM Beats. High to low double bottom. Hey, remember what Bulkowski says? We discussed this a little earlier. Bulkowski says the lower low double bottoms have better performance. Well, Bulkowski, it looks like in crypto you might be right on this one. Just saying. It's just one sample, but man, good God. High to low, exceeding 100%. 1272 is at $82.76. Very well could see that, man. I mean, on this chart, like, I know I don't have much historical data going back, but whatever, man. I'm just talking about simple, standard, high to low. If you're giving me this chart, I'm looking at it, 82.76. Overbought, yeah, bullish convergence on both oscillators on the 4 hour, 80, but not, dude, we've been seeing 90 all over the place, so if this thing wanted to go to 90, sure, dude. Sure. I don't know, man, what do you do when you break 100% retrace? You want to run 127.2% of the way afterwards, all right? Good God. Does your Zcash connect? That was for you, Rocky. Timothy, thanks for the 1 super chat. Cheers. So yeah, Rob R, to get back to what you were saying, Bitcoin versus Midgecoin, it's only 300 behind me. But dude, you understand what happens if it ever broke 8,500? I'd be down by like 800 subs or something like that to Bitcoin's price. So it's all about getting ready for, because I was up over 1,000 subs on Bitcoin's price at one time. And dude, once it broke over resistance, it was gone, dude. It was just like, well, caught up with me and then broke ahead of me. All right. Bearkowski. Nice, dude. Very nice. But how could you be a bear with such a beautiful, beautiful pattern down here, man? And look, oops. Crap.
Thanks for all the great times, smile.
Thanks, Mr. Shavin, man. Hey, the Morpheus coin fell in the jar. It stayed in the jar, dude. Good, man. Thank you, brother man. Thank you for all the support. Excuse me. So we were looking at run, right? So you tell me, dude. You tell me comparative analysis stuff real quick. All right. Get a cough. Big pullback on Bitcoin, by the way, y'all. Real big pullback. I mean, dude, we're back down to 82.66. You're screwed, Kappa. But it's not good. I mean, look, you hit the resistance, you hit this, what do, man? You pull back, all right? Give it time. 2 hours, 35 minutes left, man. Plenty of things going on. Run. We analyzed Sun Run. Okay. Go to the daily here. Scroll it out. Okay, now let's look. I mean, chat. Do you kind of get what I'm doing here? Like, come on, what's it doing? Right? This is a double bottom, but dude, it's a higher, if we flipped it, it'd be a higher low double top. Higher low double top has yet to break, right? Neckline broke here. Look at how we broke. We back tested and we were gone, dude. All right. So just for a little perception here. You get what's going on. This just again something we looked at on the stock market today. Scary stuff, man. Wally, you like this, man? It's beautiful. See if Bulkowski can make it rain on Run Connect. All right. Anyway. Oh, back to reality. It's nice, isn't it? It's many people here for the first time. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's been that way for 5-6 days, man. I know, but it's just kind of like it's still very difficult for me to manage. So empathy would be appreciated, just because I do engage with my chat probably far more than any other crypto streamers or any streamers for that regard. Playing video games or anything, dude. IRL streamers, but just sometimes it gets very, very hectic in here. Okay, so. Goodness gracious, man. Yeah, these alts have just been killing it today. But again, a little Bitcoin pullback. And we can go back and take a look at it. Hello? As you can see, back at the we hit our the highest high we saw of 2019. 83, 88 roughly, but again rejected right at that horizontal line because it is a candle high close. It is just part of the larger overhead resistance zone between 8230 and 8486 to 8500. Okay. Hey, Rap and Ron, I don't block people, but my mods do. So you want to keep talking? Go ahead. My mods, they'll do whatever they want, man. Dude. This is a strong community. It's not all about me, man. Okay. Not bad. What happened, Greg? 1941? Dude, I don't know, Jason Spring, man. Everything's just kind of gone straight up, dude. Can pull back real fast. All right. Can't get it right, man. It's like right there on the decibels. There we go. Saw it. Hey, Ryan P, man. Thanks, dude. Ryan Fletcher. Oh, yeah, Alvarez. You think so, man? Think we're going to be Kangs? It's kind of like, I mean, sell wall, right? Sell wall and accumulation, ascending triangle-esque. I mean, that's psychology going on. Sell wall with accumulation. Right? Splash people have been saying that for thousands of dollars. But yeah, I mean, overhead resistance, at any overhead resistance, you can have tremendous pullbacks and retraces. So yes, this is an area where it very well could happen. Okay. Thanks, Simpies, man. Appreciate it. Of course, Mr. Sheffer, man. How crazy it is now, right? And sorry, I mean, thanks for the 823 people here.
You rock. Made money watching you 2 days in a row. I'm telling everybody about your channel. Thanks.
Well, Rob, man, I seriously hope that other people were making money too. It might not have anything to do with me. It might just be market conditions being extremely bullish, right? So anyone FOMOing or doing the wrong thing with a trading plan, they're making money. But the thing is, a lot of those people that are doing that without the trading plan, just FOMOing, they're not going to know when to sell. And so when the rug gets pulled, all those gains will be gone in a matter of minutes or hours. Okay, so I appreciate that, man. But I think we're far more effective in bearish markets, okay, where it really does require like understanding of technical analysis to really be successful. Because in here, man, you could, oh yeah, we just randomly buy in. Okay, everything's up like 25% in a day or two. Well, good God, I hope they made money without me too. All right. But I really appreciate the crypto contribution. I'm just being candid here. I'm being completely... I'm not going to give myself credit, okay, where there's not credit really due. Okay, thank you, man. Much love. What's up, Savage Keyboard? Thanks. That's what happens when the tip jar fills up. The viewers vote on what hat I wear, and I put it on. Okay, so... Ryan P, man, thanks for the 99-cent super chat, dude. Ripple Connect and the jar. And so, just, dude, we're really just trying, just fluctuating back and forth here. 60-minute, maybe. Not bad, man. All right. Not bad. But the resistance stays the same even if we have more candles, dude. Okay, so positive momentum, holding on to it pretty well. So again, I mean, at this point, you can just see we're manufacturing support. You don't really want to fall below 8220 now, since we have broken this area that was a resistance. It's now, you know, we haven't back tested as support really, but if we do, we don't want to fall below that. But again, you've got the, you could be safe down at 8139, right, if we sold off. So Brandon Davis says, long time Alex Cobb watcher, finally catching your stream live, loving your TA. Where will XRP retrace to? Well, we don't have, I mean, which way, dude? Talking about to the downside or upside? Because we have no idea the downside because we haven't established a swing high yet. All right. Stream Elements link was showing a 404 error. Is anyone else having that issue? It seems like it's been working pretty fine. I mean, people have been tipping on Stream Elements. Dave and Bella Toy Ventures. I understand. But yeah, like, I think I'll receive the Zcash, whoever was asking, who sent me the Zcash, but it's like Stream Labs, they like quit. They quit. You can still utilize it, but they're not, when they add new Coinbase pairs and stuff, they're not updating it because I guess there's not enough demand. Like, you know, the high majority of streamers are video game streamers, and so like there's very little, like, think about the demographic and the audience of that streamer is like mainly children, like very young people that maybe they know about crypto, but they don't have money, they don't have jobs, careers, so they don't have disposable income, so they can't deal with crypto, right? They use their parents' credit cards. So and so with that being said, you know, the demand isn't there, so they don't care to continue updating. Oh, hey, there's a new okay, what, Coinbase is now accepting XRP. Okay, time to update the API, so then it shows up on Streamlabs. They don't do that anymore. It's a joke. So, but still, at least some work, like the main ones, the older ones, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I think even Ethereum Classic, BAT, those work. Hold on a sec. I was gonna see real quick if I received it. All right, so I can give confirmation to you at least. All right. Okay. Zcash. I received it. Wait. Yes, I did receive it. 420. All right, we'll do it. Is that a join?
Is that a join?
Thank you, dude, for the $4.20 of Zcash, man. Much love. It would be 786 then, right? Sorry. Yeah, 786. Here you go. Make sure. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Here you go. Corrected. Which is 3856. All right. You probably hit a 62% retrace right here at the 200 moving average, 200-day moving average, double bottoming kind of, and showing some divergence. So, only not really here, maybe on the RSI, not on the MACD really. I mean, normally you want another island develop. So, you could run up and back test the 20 or run to one of these areas and then sell off again. And there you go, the cipher, 76. Does that help, Ed? How's VeChain doing, man? Dang, man. Sorry. Sorry, I was like seeing a doji. I'm like, what? Because we've been looking at the 4 hour the whole time. Getting delusional now. I've been live for 3 hours and 34 minutes, man. Okay. Because of the market. It's like every time I go live, market's like, okay, time to be crazy. Like, okay, man. Guess we have extended coverage. How's VeChain doing? Getting closer and closer to the 1272. Double bottom exceeded measured move, and the fib extension from the high to low is at 85.47% of 1 cent. That's how VeChain doing things. Okay, we'll play it for you, dude, I guess.
BTC doing things.
$258 billion market cap. I thought we were at, I guess that is the highest high. It sounds like. I haven't heard anything above that. I thought it was 256, right? I do, Robert Clark. I have that browser. I'm verified on my channel, my YouTube and Twitch. Not on my website, but that's because someone manages it for me. But yes, I have it. Do you? Oh, excuse me, do you have it, man? Okay, that's the question. Thanks for the 800 people still here. Thanks for the 719 likes. I can't believe it, man. Y'all are amazing, man. And thank you for all the new subs today. This is incredible. All right. Of course the Litecoin video is still valid. Yes. It was done today. And it's a more zoomed out view of Litecoin, okay? So... yes, Bitcoin Cash is moving. We've looked at it ample times today, Emma. Good to see you. All right. Yeah, Steven, we're looking at VeChain right now. Have you seen that? What about Bitcoin? When TA coin airdrop? Funny, dude. Well, we already did that, didn't we? I don't know. Whenever Zero wants to do it again, I guess we can, right? Zachary, welcome, man. We have a new Zachary entering the game. How do you identify a swing high? When the rule of thumb, as I've discussed many times. Swing low to high. You have no idea this is a swing high, right? You just don't know. But again, the rule is normally when you retrace at least 23% of the way, that's when you have pretty much good confirmation to believe the swing high is in, right? So that's why the 23% retrace is so important, because you just have no idea. You can just keep going up, and it does, right? Until you really sell off 23% of the way, and then you know, all right, then we can start getting our more major retraces, right? Does that help? Whoever asked, Royce's channel. That's how. 23%, very important. Kangage. Oh my god, I hit it too fast, too many times. That's what she said. Okay. 222.22, what? Oh, on Ethereum? Yep. Yet it's still not at session high. Session highs again, we're like at 267.50 or something like that. Okay. So let's go Bundy, man. Yeah, dude. Let's go, dude. Soda playing Classic Thoughts. Isn't he? I mean, isn't that really where he started? Was Warcraft? So going back to Warcraft seems only natural. And nostalgia and views and all that stuff. I'm sure he might enjoy it. I don't know, right? Warcraft back then was insanely grindy, dude. It's like, who's got time for that at an older age, right? The Amat, we looked at Neo like 5 times today. It's them taking advantage of something there was a demand for. It was a clear demand. on WoW Classic, okay? Because there were all these Russian servers opening up, making killings on running these servers, okay? And so Blizzard says, all right, well, we've shut down the ones in the US, but dude, there's just so many people playing on these other servers that we cannot shut down. We cannot send cease and desist letters to places like Russia. So they say, screw it, man, we'll just create our own. And that's what they did. Fantasia, that's very advantageous of them. They have to do it. So you can't beat them, you literally join them. Activision Blizzard WoW Classic, prime example of that expression, right? Does that help, Fantasia? Let me know. Man, I can't even like read anymore. I'm like so hard to focus. I might have to get out of here and eat and come back or not come back. I don't know. Later, I'm just like starting to zone out some, man. Stomach's also eating itself. That doesn't help. Okay, so Bitcoin back at 83.36, right? 83.91 is a candle high close back from 2018 that we must break. You must break, you man. If you break that, man, 84, 86 to 8,500. If you break 8,500, you're going to 9K, man. But that is a big, huge, ridiculous if. All right. Well, guy, man, I'm sorry, man. Okay. I you know, I have looked at EOS like multiple times, but just not the Bitcoin bear. What about thinking about ICX? I don't know. We looked at it. Breaking out. Yeah, go figure. Had a falling wedge. It broke out. Measure move of this pattern. This is one that's not all the way there yet. Whoops. Measure moves all the way up at 50 cents of the falling wedge, if it's hit that. But you could expect some pullback at a 382, which is the major, more major, so it's the swing high way up here, man. The discernible daily one, high to low. You're looking for a measure move to hit the 382, the golden zone for ICX, where we do, you know, some sort of price action reversal will be between 48.99 cents and 68.29 cents. Okay, the golden zone, not to be confused with the golden company. But who knows what kind of fate is in store for ICX. I wonder if it would be in line with the golden company, Kappa. Deep meta memes right there. Forgot. All right. Fibonacci Mariachis. There you go, dude. Perfect. Getting back to Bitcoin, and then I think I'm just gonna do a rundown. Okay. Tyler, my extended coverage of the markets, which is my bad. I did apologize about it last night, but man, it's just like, right, dude, what do you do like when the market is doing this and you know, you're a live streamer, right? So again, apologies, but whatever, man, it's my fault. So, but you know, it's not like we don't cover the living crap out of all these assets in stream. So I get it, man. I get it. You're completely rightful in saying that and asking. Okay, so do the rundown real quick. Robert Clark, AJ Productions, Rocky Wynn, Rob Barr, William Baker, Delov, Claudio, Nawab Hussein, Robert Clark, Alex Cobb, BG, Justin McCorkle, Timothy Janika, NASA, Alvarez, Mike W, Drew T, David R, Drew T again, Hink, Ed McCracken, Greg Noblin, XRP Panic, Love of Flota, Derek P, B Moore, Samuel F, Octoman PCs, B Slice, Raj, Adam Peabody, Zach Kraus, Chicken Chunks, LPLT, Eddie F, Spock Talk, Rich May, Alex Mead, JD, Harry Taylor, Gar, Geocentric Love, Bob Field, Larry Garcia, David R, Joel L, Dan and Melissa, thank y'all, Hugh Ty, Drathicus Rex, Thank you all for the contributions. And Hipster BTC, thanks for the 193 Litecoin. Rob Mora, XVG Connect, Velaru, Chris the Pissed. Thank you all for the cryptocurrency contributions. And dude, thanks so much for the likes, the love, the support. Everything, man. Y'all are amazing. I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's tough, man. Alright. I do these extended coverage streams for y'all because the market calls for it. Y'all call for it. So that's why I do it, man. Alright. So friggin' love y'all. I really do. It's just a magical past week. And hopefully we can keep it going. The Bitcoin must break 8,500. If it doesn't, man, it's retrace time. Major retrace time. Okay, so keep your eye on it. Have your alerts set up. I don't know if I'll be back tonight. Maybe. I really don't know. Okay, depending on how the market's doing. So, because I just did I've done a 4-hour live stream now. So that's like 2 live streams, literally. So I will be back sometime. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.
That boy is good.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.